Stop 5 minutes. Buy stop quickly 5 minutes, all three indices. If you don't want to do the buy stop 5 minute, please then look into the 1 hour, 4 hour sell stops, all three indices. But 5 minute buy stop, all three indices. And just wait and let's see what happens. I didn't want you to miss this. I kind of rushed coming on. Let me get everything else set up. Good morning, everybody. Uh, 5 minute buys, all three indices. 5 minute buys, all three indices. 1 hour sells, but that's not going to happen until around 10ish. Let me get over here. There's so much to do. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm not even on TikTok. Damn. Good morning, everybody. Okay. Good morning, 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 good morning. 5 minute buy stops, all three indices. I haven't looked at the 1 minute. I do know it's a 5 minute buy because of my brother and a 1 hour sell. So just take that for what it's worth. All three indices that we watch and go over, please look into those. Yep, definitely look into those strongly. Which one was it? Was it US 30? Yeah, US 30 you're already in the money on right now. You're in the money on US 30. Good morning, everybody. Not quite there to see any of you. Give me just a second. I got a few things to do here. I just saw it and I jumped on before it moved and did whatever it's going to do. You're in the money on the US 30 buy stop. All other ones are also still buy stops 5 minute. Look into those strongly. Use your own discernment whether you want to do those or not. Let's see. I'm getting things set up still. Good morning to everybody. Good morning to everybody. Good morning to everybody. Good morning to everybody. Good morning again to everybody. Good morning again to everybody. I don't think I should just type that out. Save. Safety tray. What's today's date? Today's date is the 6th. Oh, that means Friday the 13th will be tomorrow or next week. I mean, that's funny. In October too, Friday the 13th. That's even funnier. All right, 10-6, live trading, blah, blah, blah. Not financial advisors. Works for me. All right, I think there's CPI today for all those, if you don't know, a consumer price index, just a bunch of bullshit to take your money. I'll explain what it does in a second here. I didn't think so. All right. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. You're in the money on the 5 minute buy stop US 30. I don't know what the heck you're doing on the rest of them, but I do know you're in the money on that one. So congratulations. You're in the money on the buy on US 30. Hopefully you're making good money on that. Don't know. Give me just a second. I'll be right with you guys. I always do all this stuff 9 times out of 10 before you guys see it. But this morning I'm running a little bit on the late side, so you have to bear with me. I had to get some things done. You know that there's no way of pausing your emails unless you get this Boomerang app, just saying. And it seems to be really, really good. It's called Boomerang. I'm actually shocked at how good it is. So I'll let you know if that continues. Hopefully it does. But it can pause your email. So we're actually having office hours now. You know, what happened was some of you are fantastic and some of you kind of blew it. You were emailing. I was responding to an email at 10:30 the other night. And I got to thinking, I go, fuck this shit. I don't need this hassle. Poor Bri is completely annihilated with you guys. So we actually have office hours now. We will not respond to emails unless it's between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So remember that. We'll respond to you within 48 hours after that. But to think that some of you had the audacity to try to email us at 10:30 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. you're emailing us. Are you kidding me? Wow. Total disrespect. And I know some of you are on different time zones and all, but that's not happening. So at any rate, so I put the foot down. I already have it. If you try to email us, you won't be able to email us at all unless I'm live with you off those times. You won't be able to email us at all unless it's between 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then you can email us. So yeah, I had to save Bri. She was completely being annihilated by you guys. She was trying to respond to emails all times a day. It wasn't nice. That's all I can tell you. It wasn't good at all. At any rate, all right. I think we're kind of close to being live now. You're in the money on those little suckers. Hopefully you took your money out, locked it in. I have no idea what the other ones did. Hold on a second. If you don't want to play 5 minutes, please get ready to play the 1 hours. The 1 hour sell stops probably will occur. Now, this is if it truly is CPI. Oh, good, I'm in. All right. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. I believe I'm all set. Please head over from YouTube to TikTok. I would appreciate that very much. I also would appreciate some thumbs up. If you're too lazy to give me a thumbs up, please head over to TikTok. My TikTok channel is The Real Safety Trade. Good morning, Bob. You're number one, Bob. Good morning, P2. Good morning, The Griffey. Good morning, Zim. Morning, everybody. 5 minute buys, all 3 indices. 1 hour sells, all 3 indices. Oh, it's non-farm payroll today. I'm sorry. I thought it was CPI. Thank you. Good morning, The Griffey. Good morning, everybody. All right, let's go over to YouTube. Good morning, LT, number 1. Good morning, D Nice, number 1. Good morning, David DVD, number 1. You guys are all number 1 in my books. I just try to, reward everybody being there. Anyway, good morning, Ryan. Good morning, Kim the Candle Envy Lady. Good morning, George D. Good morning, Amy Lou. Good morning, Amy. Good morning, Marissa Williams. Yay, a lot of women representing this morning. Good morning, John C. We were at 1% women on YouTube. Now we're up to 6, almost 6.8. So almost 7% women on YouTube. Isn't that great? Can you imagine? We were at 1%. Now we're at 6%. I want us at 50% women. Hell, to be honest with you, I'd rather have 60% women. No offense. Some of the guys, most of the issues we have are with gentlemen. But at any rate, good morning, George D. Good morning, Amy Lou again. Good morning, Marissa again. Good morning, John C. Good morning, Jones 808. Good morning, Mr. Noble. Good morning, Harry. Good morning, Blessed Life FX. And bless you all, too, by the way. Good morning, J Flow. Good morning, Esther. Good morning, Jay Parker. Good morning. Oh, J Flow said it again. Thank you, J Flow. NFP today. Good. I can't wait for my brother to see what happens on those kind of days. I'll explain what's going to happen before it happens. J Flow, where was I at? Sorry, let me go over my alarms, make sure we're good. We are, and I haven't done any of my stuff today, but I'll do it afterwards. Good morning, Rinky. Good morning, Jacob Silvas. How do you like that little neon sign, Jacob? Isn't that cool? Good morning, Maria Toler. Good morning, Joseph Tamburno. And thank you again, Jacob. Good morning, Maria Toler. What's up, Maria? Good morning, Joseph Tamburino. I think I actually said your name right. Good morning, Tanny B. Look at the women. This is great. Good morning, Fly to Sky or Flowski. Good morning, Terry Gross. Good morning, T-Mark. Yep. Good morning, Rico Steele. Good morning, Harry. NFP today. Thanks, Harry. Good morning, Jason L. Rock the Bach, baby. Good morning, Dr. Matt Spangler. Good morning, Sam UK. Good morning, Malachi. Malachi. Good morning, Rico Steele. Probably your international customers. Oh, no. This lady was not international. And unless you consider one of the United States of America International. And it wasn't from thing. No, she was in Eastern time zone writing us. I was pissed as fuck. Julius, good morning, Julius. Good morning, Harry. Yes, sir. I got you. Good morning, NFP, 8:30. Oh, 8:30. It's always 8:30. Good morning, Jason McCain. Good morning, Bob Uten again. Good morning, Rico Seal. Thank you, Bob, for being on both. Thank you, Bob, for being on both. I appreciate you for being on both. Everyone head from YouTube to TikTok, please. The Real Safety Trade on TikTok. You'll see it. Consumer credit at 3. How many? They have so much bullshit news they can't even keep track of themselves. Good morning, Jose on TikTok. Good morning, Little Joe on TikTok. Good morning, Solid Soul on TikTok. Good morning, The Griffey on TikTok. Girl power. That's right, Amy. Girl power, baby. News has no chance. I'll explain how to play it here in a minute too, Rico. You're right. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, OG again. Good morning, Amy again. Good morning, Rico still again. Good morning, Sandro. Good morning, Sandro. Good morning, Kevin Watson. Yesterday was amazing. 30 minutes till NFP. Oh, till NFP. Yeah. Yesterday was so much fun. Oh my God. It's so much fun when you make money trading, isn't it? Good morning. Okay, you get it right. I expect that you will get it right from now on. Oh, Malachi? Really? No shit. I actually got it right. What's up, Alvarado Guadalupe? Oh my God, I'm saying the names right this morning. Oh boy, you guys better be careful. 5-minute buy stops, all 3 indices, probably turning into 15-minute, but I haven't checked yet. Good morning, Little Joe. Okay, I think that's good morning to everybody. If you guys would head over for the 3rd time, I have your back. I've helped you all. I've trained you all. I've given you a system for a very low amount of money, coming on lives every day. If you have my back, I made you all trillionaires, whether you believe it or not. I made you all billionaires and millionaires, whatever. I know I made at least 2 of you millionaires, 100,000aires, 3 or 4 or 5 of you. So I know that people can make money with the system. We know that people are making money with the system. It's not just me making the correct calls every day for you live. Other members are doing it 10, 20, 30, 50, 100. I have no idea. 200, 300. It's in terms of general knowledge. A third of you who have bought the system are making tons of money. A third of you who have bought the system are breaking even. A third of you who bought the system are losing money. Now, I hate that that's the facts, but that's the facts. Now, how do we make that better? Well, I keep trying to improve things for you, and I keep trying to show you the way you trade, but sometimes it's a lot harder for other people to catch on to that. All right. Now, we'll get to these calls real quick. Yeah, absolutely. Still 100% don't care. Calling it. Yep. Your correct entry was the first time back here. Let me be clear, and then we'll get to some call outs. Blue went up, pink went down. Your first entry to the blue line should have been back here. I'm trying to get you guys to pick up some shit after it's already happened, but we're going to try. 1 minute. 5-minute buy stop, US 30. Let me see what the 1 minute is. There was a nice sell right there. Hold on. 1 minute. Oh, another nice 1 minute sell stop. All right. We'll get it. I'll get you going. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. 1 minute sell to the blue lines. Oh, that's beautiful. Hold on. US 32. Okay. If you like 1 minute, wait for it to arch back up again. Look at this trade. Fuck. I wish I wasn't doing all those welcomes. That 1 minute sell to the blue lines are perfect. Play them again if they see them again. If not, wait for the 5-minute buy stops. If not, wait for the 1 hour sell stops, all 3 indices. I'll get to those in a second. Look at that. It's the exact same write-up as yesterday morning. 1 minute sell stops to the blue line, 5-minute buy stops, 1 minute, 4 hour, and this is 5 minute. This is going to the blue. This blue line is going to be the US 30. US 30. That's the only difference there is this morning. That is too funny. This is the exact same write-up as yesterday. Wow. They don't change much, do they? All right, let me get this over here. Let me get this over there. All right, good morning, Julie Gaia. Good morning on TikTok from Rico. Nice, Rico. Thank you for being over there. Thank you, Ollie, for coming over. Thank you, Kevin, for coming over. Good morning, Zira. Good morning, Ollie. Thank you all for coming over. Appreciate it. Zero, what's that 15 blue star looking thing next to your name on TikTok? What the hell is that? I don't know what that is. I don't know what 15 stars is over there. It looks like blue. Good morning, Shash. God bless you, sir. Thank you for being on both, Alvarado, Guadalupe. Appreciate that. Made $2,500 yesterday. Shash, congratulations. All right, we're reloading for a 1 minute sell stop, or you can wait for a 5 minute buy stop, or you can really wait for a 1 hour sell. I'll get into all that in the details in just a second. 27 people. Okay, great. Moving onward and upward. Thank you guys for being on both. Let me roll. Hold on 1 second here. I don't know who that is that wrote in there. Don't you dare write again in that fucking Discord while I'm live. Don't you dare do it again. For the love of God, you can't even see when see what I mean? Okay. Good thing the weekend's here, peeps. I need a break. I need a break, and Bri definitely needs a break. Lord help us. We're good. Good morning, Mike Moy. Thank God for another day above ground, another day of health and happiness, another day of spiritual closeness with God. Thank you for another day of my family and friends. Thank you for, there's a whole thing we go through. I step up to 100% perfect physical health. I step up to 100% perfect mental health. I step up to financial freedom. Most importantly, I step up to eternal life with Jesus Christ, my personal Lord and Savior, in heaven with all my family and friends. Thank you, God, for everything. But anyway, that's my morning. Good morning, legends. Good morning, dopamine and caffeine. Good morning, question it all. All right, I got to whip through a few of these before I don't whip through these and I get carried away. I think it was Tuesday or something, Wednesday morning. I think it was Wednesday. I didn't go through the call outs. Okay. All right. Right now, 1 minute on NAS, SPX, US 30. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, all three. 5 minute buy stop to the US 30 blue line, all three. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stops if it's a 4 hour blue line sell stop on all three. There's also a daily, weekly buy stop on NAS, to be clear. All right. Now, with those given out, there is a 1 minute forming right now. It's going to hook and come back down. It's going to be beautiful for you. But I have to go to the other ones first, and I'll get back to that. We'll talk about NFP here in just a second. I promise you I will. XRP, 1 minute. Here we go. I'm going to fly by these. I'm not even going to teach you guys. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. XRP, XRP, XRP. Okay, here we go. 1 minute sell to the 5 minute blue line, XRP. 1 minute sell to the 15 minute blue line, XRP. 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 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Woohoo! Last time it did it, it went from here to here. It went up from 51 cents to 54 cents. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, XRP. Daily, weekly sell stop, XRP. Monthly buy stop, XRP. Yay us. If we can get past that weekly, yay us. Ethereum is the same thing as Bitcoin. Ethereum is the same thing as Bitcoin. Here we go. Now, don't play around. I have no time. I have to whip through these so I can get to the NFP business for you guys. Bitcoin. No, my bad. I'm looking at Bitcoin. Ethereum. Damn. Ethereum. Did Ethereum rise yesterday when I called it? You remember when I called Ethereum to rise? Hold on. It was down here. Yes, it did. It went up. Okay, so that's it. Okay. Just wanted to make sure that that was the correct case. All right. Ethereum. 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line. Ethereum. 30 minute. Ethereum, 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop. Ethereum. If you don't like playing Ethereum 1 hour, 4 hour daily buy stop to the blue line. Ethereum weekly sell stop. I'm sorry, daily sell stop. Ethereum daily sell stop. Monthly buy. Ethereum. Bitcoin. Remember Bitcoin, they run together. I have a scanner built on it, but I can't get into that right now. Sorry. 1 minute. Hold on. Bitcoin. Buy. 1 minute buy. Bitcoin 15 minute already was engaged. This must be a 30 minute buy. It is 30 1 hour, 1 hour buy, 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Bitcoin. Daily sell stop Bitcoin. Weekly sell stop Bitcoin. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. You go a little Bitcoin. I hope you do it. GBB JPY 1 minute. 1 minute buy to where? To Oh, shit. Never mind. Oh, that's too late. Man, did I not call that? I'm just not going to go there. Fine. I don't have time for it. Look at that. I'm going to say it. So call it a 15-minute buy to the blue line on GPJPY. There's your blue line. 30-minute buy to the blue line. There's your blue line. Oh, I'd love to teach you this one, but that's fine. I'm not going to do it. To the 1 hour blue line. Are you fucking kidding me? GBP. I know we called that. Okay, what can we do next? 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop, GBP, JPY. Don't do the buys. It's too late. Daily buy stop. Daily buy stop, GBP, JPY. UTSHEF is the complete opposite of ERUSD. So whatever I call for it, they'll be opposite. Look at ERUSD red on the 4 hour. Look at UTSHEF green on the 4 hour. Buy stop, UTSHEF 4 hour. ERUSD sell stop 4 hour. But let's go back down to the 1 minute. 1 minute. Buy stop. 5 minute. Already was a 5 minute buy stop. EURUSD to the 15-minute blue line. 1 minute buy stops to the 30-minute blue line. Hell, 1 minute buy stops to the 1 hour blue line. 4 hour. 4 hour. 4 hours forming a 4 hour sell. Forming a 4 hour sell. 4 hour daily sell stop. ERUSD. Weekly sell stop, EURUSD. To the monthly blue line and below, to be specific. All right. SPX, we already called it, but we'll do SPX again. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. 5 minute buy stop to US 30, 5 minute blue line. SPX. 1 minute buy stop, probably even to their 15-minute blue line. Holy shit, no fucking way. Yep. To the 15-minute blue line. 30-minute, nothing. 1 hour, it's going to be a 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop, SPX to NAS's blue line. Daily buy stop, SPX. Daily, weekly buy stop. Yep. They never let that shit drop like it should. It's one of these days, they have to crash it. They just have to, but whatever. NAS, 1 minute. 1 minute sell to the blue line. You made money when I was talking the other way. It came up, arched down, hit the blue line. 1 minute sell stop again to the blue line. The blue line 1 minute is arching up. That's bad. Well, it's just going to be 1 minute up. So you got to wait for this. So be careful on this trade. But 1 minute sell stop NAS to the blue line again. You already made money one time. 5 minute buy stop NAS to the 30-minute line. 5 minute buy to the 30-minute line. 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour sell stop. 4 hour sell stop NAS forming. Daily buy stop NAS. US 30. 1 minute sell to the blue line. US 30. 5 minute buy stop to the blue line, actually. 15-minute buy stop to the blue line. 30-minute negative. 1 hour. Yep. 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. Yep. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Gorgeous 1 hour, 4 hour sell stops, all three indices. Gorgeous. Daily, weekly, Bach break. Yep. Daily, weekly buy stop, US 30. So technically these are all, I don't have to just take this one here. So they're all daily weeklies. Okay, cool. Maybe any more specific. 1 minute buy stop, 1 minute sell stops to their blue lines. 5 minute buy stops to the US 30 blue line. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stops to NAS's 4 hour blue line. That is correct. All right. Works for me. Nice. All right, let's take a look. Gold. 1 minute. Oh, it already hit the blue line. That would have been perfect for you all. 1 minute sell stop to blue line. I'm so sorry. All right, let's see if we got another one arching up. We do. 1 minute sell stop gold. 5 minute buy stop to the blue line gold. 15-minute, 15, 30, 30. 30 is high. 30 is high. 30, 31 out. 1 hour is still high. Woo. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. I think I've been calling this for a while. I still think this is going to arch up and go over, but that's just me. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop gold. Weekly buy stop gold. Good luck with that trade. That'll only take you 6 years to develop. That's it. All right, let's go back to US 30. All right, let's go over here to 1 minute. Let's shrink this back up to a little more size. There we go. You're in the money on that US 30 sell. You can take the money out, run with it if you want. SPX, you're in the money on the SPX sell. You can take the money out also on that one. All right, now, questions, concerns, and comments. I think a lot of you are misunderstanding when I tell you do not email me your bad trades, and to ask me on my lives. I'm done giving you all breaks on that. You do not send me an email on your bad trades ever again. You ask me during the lives. I'm here every fucking day asking me for the trades while we're live. Unless you're too embarrassed to ask, I don't understand. Ask. And then better yet, how about you do it during our actual training when you're supposed to do it on Mondays at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I understand some of you can't make that, but I also understand that I'm live every fucking day, that you guys can make the lives. So try to do it where we're live. I'm not responding to emails. Can I be clearer on that? I'm not going to respond to your emails. I will not respond to your emails. If you have questions with trades, what the fuck am I doing on here on a live so I can teach everybody, all of you at once, is what we're going to do. Okay? So hopefully that gets through to a few of you. Because there seems to be a challenge. There seems to be a huge ass fucking challenge. Oh, Lordy. Oh, well, is what it is. Okay, next. Good morning, David McKinsey. Good morning, Erica. In the money. Yay! 0 at 180 in the money. Nice. Congratulations, sir. Appreciate it. Kev, let me know. Good morning, Julie Gaia again. Good morning, Question It All again. All right, here we go. Mike Moy, good morning. Fly, sorry. The last sentence explains why it happened, was not online. Boost, hello. Let's go back here. I probably missed somebody. Good morning, EA8851. Good morning, Stefan 087. Good morning, Mike Moy again. Good morning, Dopamine Caffeine again. Good morning, Fly to the Sky. Good morning, Boost. Good morning, Martar. Good morning, Zap. What is the best play with NAS? Whatever you want to play. If you like 1 minute, play the 1 minutes. If you like the 5 minutes, play the 5 minutes. If you like the 1 hour, play the 1 hour. If you like the dailies, play the dailies. Richard Graham, good morning. Free Money Friday. Absolutely. Good morning, Lebro. Good morning, Aries. All right, guys. All right, so we're all good. Now, 15 minutes, well, even more. You're about to have what's called NFP, non-farm payroll. What it is called non-farm bullshit. It's just a bunch of lies. It's a bunch of scams. It's a bunch to scare everybody. Oh, the non-farm payroll jobless, blah, 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 blah. Who the hell cares? They are so full of crap when they do this. So this is what they like to do. On these particular days, just like CPI, this is what they'll do. They're going to go ahead. So don't play it. First of all, do not. And none of you be in the market when CPI is announced at 8:30. And I wouldn't be in the market at 8:25 either. This is what they're going to do, though. They will absolutely, in this case, they're most likely going to pop it up. They're going to pop it up, boop, like this, grab everyone's trailing stop losses, or the stop losses they put in. They're going to go ahead and grab all of them, and then they're going to drop it like a rock. Okay? And then they're going to do that, and when you see the price either go up or down hard, they're fulfilling institutional orders, and you can't get your order fulfilled. So don't think for a second you're going to be able to compete with them, because you won't be able to. Trust me on that. You will not be able to. So if they don't do that, then what they're going to do is they're going to drop it down low super hard, take everyone's stop losses that way, and then arch it back up again. That's all they do. This is called collection day. This is like their monthly auto draws. They take everybody's money, because we know where it's going, but we can't move fast enough to catch it. So if you want to put in your long-term sells, please put in your, sorry, I have to shut the door. Please put in your long-term sells. Okay? If you're trying to play a buy, boy, you better be able to move quick as lightning with these things. Okay? Please be careful as fuck. Do not play non-farm payroll. Do not play NFP. You think it's hard enough to do opens. Good luck with that shit. I'm telling you the truth. You will get your ass handed to you. You will not win. Now, if you put in a long term, let's go to like a 1 hour US 30. If you put your 1 hour US 30 in, right? Let me take this off of here so you guys don't see that. There you go. If you put your 1 hour US 30 in for your sell stop, you need to enter in. Let me see if I can find you a better entry. Nope, not better. 15 minute. Nope, not better. Nope. Keep it there at the 1 hour. All right. So if you were, I don't want to use US 30. Hold on. Fuck that shit. I want to cost you. Do SPX. Let's go over to SPX. Same chart. It'll be looking same. See, there you go. All right. We have a Bach break, 1 hour, non-Bach break. Are you fucking kidding me? This is money right here. 1 hour, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute high, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour. No, I was right. 1 hour. Okay. So you could put your, put it right here on the yellow, and damn gone it. If you get tapped in and you're up 1 or 2 or 3 pips, you better sell that motherfucker as fast as you can move your little fingers. Because if they grab that and hook that and pull you back up again, I don't want to hear anybody whining. Sell stop, SPX, 1 hour. If you want to play, because your worst case scenario is you put your stop loss right here, you lose $16. You put a 0.01 on it just to play NFP. Do SPX. I wouldn't trade anything else. Don't fuck around with anything else on NFP. I am not kidding you. Do not play US 30. Do not play NAS. You get caught in this fucking mess, you're going to regret it for the rest of your life. Don't do it. Mike, don't play. Mike, my brother, don't play NFP. Well, I've already taught him what to do. I actually showed him how to do it. But don't play it other than that. Mike T, my other brother, do not play NFP. Chris Smith, do not play NFP. Michelle Glowinski, do not play NFP. Mike Glowinski, do not play NFP. Oh, Lord, who do I need to go through? Janine, do not play NFP. Everybody that is close to me, do not play non-farm payrolls. Do you hear me? Do not play today. This is not a play day. You're in the money on your 1 minute sells. Why even play it? Look what just happened to you. You're in the money on your 1 minute sell SPX. You're in the money on your US 30. You're in the money on your 1 minute sells NAS. Look at it. These were all called out. Why bother playing anything else? Why bother playing anything else today? You just made your money. Take your money and run. You just made money. But no, everyone out there is going to be greedy. You're all going to play it. Then you're all going to yell, why the fuck did this happen? Blah, blah, blibbly, blah, blue, blah, blue. No, don't. Just don't. See how when you float your charts, a lot of times you won't see my trades. You'll see that things freeze up. You'll see that things won't go small again. You won't see some of the indicators. Floating charts are great, but it does have its limitations. So just off this side there. Now, was I clear about not playing NFP? If you're in NFP, you better lock in your fucking profits before anything happens. Okay? Don't play NFP. Do not play NFP. Can I be any clearer to you guys? Hopefully one more time. You want me to be one more time? Don't play NFP. By the way, if you just made, when you did, because I just told you what to do, if you just made 18, 15, 20 pips profit and you're still trying to make money, you don't understand trading. If professional traders are happy with 10 pips and you just made 20, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Greedy. All right. So what is NFP going to do? Let's go case by case right here. What are they going to do? They're going to drop it down, pull it back up, and control the 5 minute. That's what I think. Now, if they don't do that and they want to be complete douches about it, you'll see a 1 hour sell stop kick in and it'll drop like a rock. Before they ever do the 1 hour sell stops, and this might be the push up they have right here, you'll always see this little bit of a pip right here. So they might double pip this and then they're going to drop it like that. So either or, you can play the buys if you want, or you can play the sells, or best yet, stay the fuck out of the trades. Don't trade anything. Am I clear? Don't trade anything. I hope to God I am clear on that. But that's what I see happening. They're going to drop it, hook your whatever in, and then they're going to pull it back up again. That's what I think. And then they're going to go boop like this. Few minutes anyways. You'll see a nice big push up. And then maybe we can get some movement, because I swear to God, everything was so slow yesterday. It's like watching paint dry. And if you don't want to do the 1 minute you just made up money on, if you don't want to do the 5 minute, 15 minutes, you don't want to do it, then just open up 1 hour sells and wait. But don't fuck around with those sales. I'm telling you, I can see it right now. Oh, we made 5 pips on US 30 and it turned around and went up 300. How am I supposed to make you sell? A, don't play it. B, sell. Oh shit, we got 6 minutes market open. NFP. All right. So please don't play this. You guys are going to drive me nuts. If I had to gather a guess, they're going to drop it a little bit, hook down a little bit, and then they're going to rise up. That's my personal opinion. If they skip that particular personal opinion, if they don't do the little rise up, then they're just going to keep dropping it. Then stay in your sells and make your money. That's all I can tell you. You're already in the money on your 1 minute sells anyways. I would take that money out. I would lock in profit, and then I would open up buy stops. So if I'm already in a sell. I've already got a sell going on the one. And I have opened up my regular 1 hours ready to go already. I already have them open, so I'm good to go on those. And this will be here. Let me see. I'm going to go over to SPX. I'm going to show you SPX for a while. Okay. And I'm going to show you what I'm setting up to look like. I'm already in one though, but we're going to do this right here. I already have my sell going, but I'm going to put one right here. And then I'm just going to sit here and wait. And if I make 1 or 2 or 3 pips off of SPX, I damn well are going to shut down at least one of them. I'm not looking to get rich on this move. If it dips down a lot and I have time to make the move, I can make a little bit of money. If it goes up, I'll definitely make money since I'm already in the trade. That's how I'm looking at this trade right here. Let's take this off right here. Son of a beeswax. See these templates? They keep fucking up. NFP in 5 minutes. Ah, dang it. Ah, jeez, oh, pizza. Come on. Ah, fuck. Hold on. I don't even know if this is the right one. I could be screwing myself right here. What on earth is going on? Hold on. Oh my goodness. Why is my effing... What the hell is this? Okay. It won't let me open up a thing. Oh my God, I don't have time for this. All right, fuck it. Hold on. All right. This is useless down here. Hold on. We can go over to TradingView too, I guess, but let me go back over to here. All right. Again, if non-farm payroll comes out in 2.5 minutes, don't play it. Stay out of the market. Do not play this fucking trade. If I can be any clearer, I would be. You're already in the money on your NAS sell. You're already in the money on your SPX sell. We're in the money on your US, still in the money on your US 30 sell. I am. So 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. But I'll be damned if you're in the trade, stay in it, lock in profit, whatever you're going to do. If you're going to play the 5 minute buys, you better be quick as fucking lightning. You hear me? They're going to arch this shit up and pull down on it fast as you can breathe. Move fast. Better yet, stay out of it. I just made you probably 30, 40 pips before this hit. All I can tell you, this is going to be a fun ride. I am kind of looking forward to it. I get excited when things move fast, though. Can we move fast with it? Listen to what I tell you. If you plan on playing it, you better be an SPX only. I'm not going to look at any comments until we're done with this shit. You should be in 1 minute sells already. Lock in profit. If you want to go ahead and play the 5 minute buys, go ahead and do it. Be able to get in and out quickly. If you want to do the 1 hour sells, you can do that, but you should already be in it. So your play is you're already in a 1 minute sell. Stay in it. Lock in profit. If you want to, put a 5 minute buy stop in right above here where you're supposed to be. This is going to go for, hold on. Let me pull up NAS down here. NAS. Let me pull up US 30 here. All right, here we go. Be ready for fast movements. What used to be 1 or 2 pip candles are going to turn into 30 and 40 pip candles. It's going to move fast and hard. And it won't stay that way. It's going to be kind of like a push. And then after about 5 minutes or so, 10 minutes, it's going to calm down. But that initial push is going to be crazy. Here we go. Have some fun with it. Enjoy yourselves. Listen to what I say quickly. Here it comes. This better be NFP too. If this is an NFP, I'm going to get pissed. Sell. Get rid. Close your sell stops. Close your 1 minute. Close your 1 minute. There's your down push. Close your 1 minute sells. Close your 1 minute sells. You've engaged the 1 hour. Mike, you're in the money. Mike, you're in the money. Mike, you're in the money. Take your money out, Mike. Mike, my brother, take your money out. Mike, did you make money? Yes or no? Speak up now. Mike, did you make money? Did you make money, Mike? Mike, did you make your money? My brother, please told me you had that 1 hour SPX sell stop in play. Told you. So I would close down your trades. Every one of you. NAS, SPX, US 30, you were in the 1 minute sells. We called the 1 minute sells. You made your money. Mike, my brother, are you here? Yes, you made your money. I'm calling him. That's it. That's it. That's how you play it. Oh, you can't play NFP. You don't know how to play NFP. Mike, get off the fucking phone. Oh, my God, my brother's on the phone. He talks all the time. He's 24/7 on the phone. All right, at least he made money. Holy crap. There you go. That's how you know. Oh, you can't play NFP. You can't possibly. We were in 1 minute sells. I told you to have your 5 minute buys ready. I told you to have your 1 hour sell stops ready. In the money, sell stop, in the money. I would close these trades down. I would absolutely close these trades down. I would 100% absolutely close. Why be greedy? Take your money and run. Get the hell out of the trade. I was up $400 actually, but $367 a 0.02. That's all. The only trade I have in this 2 accounts on this computer. That's it. Take your money and get the fuck out. Close down the trade. No need to stay open any longer than that. No need to stay open any longer than that. US 30 made your money. US 30 made your money. You would have made 238 pips on US 30. NAS 100 made your money, depending upon entry. You would have made 200 pips on NAS. SPX, which I put my brother in. Mike, would you please call in? Where the F are you? Mike, get off the fucking phone and call your brother. I'm not over here making you money not to be. Get off that phone. I swear to God. We have to go over something. Get off the phone. Mike, we're trying to do a live here. My brother's over there horse shitting around. No, he's very important. He's got doctor shit to do. But I set him up this morning with this 1 hour sell stop. I told him what it was going to do for CPI because they follow the higher time frames. That's all it is. They just follow the higher time frame. So there you go. I kind of thought we'd get a nice little push up to the 5-minute buy stop to engage, but we did not. So there's nothing we can do. And that's it. Now that's the bummer. That's what you do. This is how you play CPI. Period. That's it. CPIs are bitch. CPIs are female dog. CPIs are female dog. That's it. Now, if you want to learn how to CPI, buy the system. I set my brother up with an SPX 500 1-hour sell stop earlier this morning. And that's it. I mean, I don't know what else I can do for him. I don't know. He said he made money. And I swear he stays on the phone 24/7. Thank God he doesn't hold it to his ear. It'd be dead already. There's your 1-hour sell stop. I mean, I hope everyone caught it. I'm going to go ahead and look over to comments now. Hopefully some of you caught that. That was fun. Not as much fun as I wanted. I wanted to push up quicker. I wanted us to get that 5-minute, 15-minute engage, make some money, and then pull down. But they just went straight down. So everybody that was in those 1-minute sells, you all made money. If you had the 1-hour sell stops, you had money. If you did the 5-minute buys, you never got engaged. So you couldn't ask for anything better. And he's still not answering. Wow. Come on, Mike. Look at Uncle Mike. Uncle Mike. Uncle Mike. Uncle Mike. All right. Now, wow, that was fun. You want to learn how to trade? There it is. There she blows. There it is. There she blows. All right. Comments, concerns. Let's see. David, good morning. Good mornings. They're in the money. Rico, Zim. How about ERUSD? Already called it. Solace Soul. Fire. Thank you for the free money, Mr. Grego. You're welcome, Zira. Ranch Girl, stayed out. Smartest thing there, Ranch Girl. Congratulations in staying out. Congratulations in staying out. Trust me. You did wonderful. All right, here we go. What do you think about the NAS 5 minutes? Sitting on my hands, Rico. So NFP does not play with others. Sounded pretty clear to me. Just took 5 pips on NAS, and I'm spectacular until after APS. Great call on the 1-minute sell stop on the S&P. Stay out, best way. Yes, made money. US 30. Sell. Oh, Vitor's back. Sell. That dumped. Wowza, that was a drop. I just watched and stayed out. Holy moly. Woohoo, thank God. Was awesome call. Thank you, Campbell. Thank you, Kendall. Thank God, Kevin Bri. You're welcome. So hopefully some of you actually caught or were in the 1-minute sells as I told you to before it happened. 1-minute sell stops. We were in them. That was called out. Easy peasy. Hopefully, oh, good. It dipped down a little bit more. We're back up to over 400. Hopefully the rest of you either stayed out or did the 1-hour sell stops. This is exactly what we were playing. 1-minute sell stops to the blue lines. I guess we hit those by a mile. 5-minute buy stops to US 30 blue line. 1-hour, 4-hour sell stops to the NAS 4-hour blue line. Guess what they're going to do now? So now we drop down. Let's go over to NAS. Let's go over to NAS 4-hour and then show you. And that's it. And they love doing the movements on CPI and NFP on the higher time frames. If you have a 1-hour sell stop, a 30-minute sell stop, a 4-hour sell stop, they love making CPI and NFP follow those higher time frames. I don't like to call them per se for you guys because, you know, that can get ugly on you, but that was just beautiful. You can clearly see what it was. NAS is right here. Let me pull NAS over to here. And I can't stand the fact I can't change my charts. These floating charts, they're good, and it's very good for certain things, but other things it just isn't. Now, this is for NAS. We're going down to the blue line. This is the second time that this has been called. The second time you made $200. The first time you made 200 pips. The first time you made over 200 pips. On this one, you made over 220 pips again. That's about exactly what it was the first time, and there you go. And that's it. Now, how does it work? Simple. How does this play out? Easily. Again, if you don't like playing NFP, which I would tell you never to play NFP as a beginner, stay the fuck out of NFP. Never do it. Oh, Glows. Oh, Glow made some money. Yay, Mike Kunsky. What's up, my brother? So fucking Bishop tries closing. Now it's locked up. Should be up, be 107. Finally closed out. Look, Glow's trying to close it out in the money. $391. There you go, baby. Yep. They don't close our orders until the big boys close out. Glow made some money this morning. All right, Glow, good job. All right, now close my Nadex options on that drop. Made over $200 easy. Oh, shit. You made me think of something. Holy moly. Let's see something. 01. Got it. All right, let's see something here. All right. All these options were negative all week long on the Nadex ones, right? Look over here now. They all turned. This is the options demo account. This is not real money. This is demo account. This isn't real money. This isn't real money. This is demo account. Now, listen, I never let you in my demo on my real account on Nadex. These are the options that were negative. I never brought them up. They were all negative. It's like, okay, fuck it. We'll just wait. These were all negative all week, and now look at them. These were all negative all week, and now look at them. All week long, from Monday, they made money, and I got out a few of those. But Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, they were all negative. And in one fell swoop, we're up. That's the power of Nadex. I can't keep stressing it enough to you guys. Nadex is psychotically good for balancing out movements. It won't get you a shit ton of money, but you won't lose a shit ton of money either. I don't know how to word it. Nadex is just like that. It's kind of like a balancer. I don't know. But that's it. And there it is. There's your money on those options. So you would have made $1,200 in a week. But that you just have to have patience. You just, with Nadex, you have to play the 15-minute, better yet, the 30-minute, better yet, the 1 hour, 4 hours. And when you see those in the beginning of the week and you can get in, you know where it's going to be at the end of the week. I mean, thank God for NFP, right? Because the stupid shit dropped down like a rock. But those are those options. So again, if you guys ever want to learn Nadex, we can teach it again. I can go over it this morning if you like, because now it's about to get boring. But I mean, that was easy money. That's a $1,200 week just off of those movements. And that wasn't just one. That was EUR USD must have dropped. Let me take a look over there. We never saw the drop. Hold on, let me see EUR USD. Oh yeah, thing of beauty. 4 hour sell stop. Called it out this morning. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily sell stop. I mean, I don't know. I'm showing you Nadex. I'm showing you Eagle FX, Hugo's Way. Any brokers you want to use, you can make money on. You don't have to have one particular broker. Any broker, just make your money. Done for the day. Now going to school. Nice. Nice, Glow. That's awesome. Awesome. All right. Now, I tagged you Discord, Kev. I tagged you in Discord. Oh, you want me to look in Discord? Let's take a look. Yeah, you shouldn't post your trade recaps. CSL Solace it was negative 7,000 outlook. The system is crazy. It was negative $7,000. Now look, 44,000. Damn, what are you playing in there? Are you playing Solace? What are you playing in there? Are you playing are you playing with other people's money? Are you in a funded account? Are you in your own money? What are you doing with that one? Look at EUR USD. How great. All right. So how were we able to call out every one of these trades? This 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour sell on 4 hour daily sell on EUR USD is the exact same thing as all the rest. Let me show you what it looks like. Let me go up here a little bit. Let me go down here a little bit. All right. This is daily. This is 4 hour. All right, here we go. EUR USD. Now, what I'm going to show you is what always is the case. Always is the case. Always is the case. Okay. So with this movements were logical patterns. We were in the 1 minute sells on, well, I guess we go to US 30. We were in the 1 minute sells on US 30, right? So that wasn't an issue. The 5 minute buy stops we wanted to do just because I wanted to see it go up for the 5 minute, 15 minute, never engaged, wasn't an issue. 30 minute was nothing. 1 hour was a sell, and it was a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. So we'll start with this. By the way, what the fuck did gold do? Do I have a gold open? No, my gold closed down. What did gold do? Sell also. Okay. So it was a 1 hour, 4 hour? 1 hour, 4 hour sell on gold, kicked ass too. So you guys, every one of you should have stayed out of the trade. If you were trading gold, would have been easy too. I guess I could have let you guys in gold at a point. It would have been pennies. Gold obviously followed suit. US 30 followed suit. NAS did it. SPX did it. ERUS did it. But I'm glad if you guys stayed out of it. Super glad. Oh, speaking of which, what did Bitcoin do? Hold on. Nope, nothing. You can't. Nope. Couldn't even trade in 1 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute buy. Ethereum should have been the same. 1 minute buy. 5 minute buy. Oh, there was a 30 minute. I don't know. Did I call a 30-minute sell stop on Ethereum, 30-minute 1 hour? If I did, you may have made a little money on that. Maybe you're in the money, but I don't remember if I called that. It looks like I would have. Yeah, that should have been a 30-minute 1 hour. Yeah. I don't know. Does anyone remember if I called a 30-minute 1 hour sell stop? By the system says nice. Solus, am I allowed to am I allowed to show your Discord message, Solus? Artificial life. Wow. Close my Nadex options. Thank you for reminding me about, I was hung in the 3 hour, 4 hour sell something that pushed me down, saved my ass up 430. God, thank God. Nice, Richard Graham. Awesome. It's not that it saved your ass. It always works. Whether you have enough float in there so you don't get tapped out is up to you. Only problem, my copy trading was down, off, around. Yeah, copy trading doesn't go automatic. Well, the ones I've ever used. That's why I don't do it anymore. Stefan, so nice. Thanks, Kevin, and thanks, God. The only problem, my copy trading was down. Yeah, it never catches it right away. LeBro, 100% win rate today so far. Didn't play SPX just then, though. Great. I'm glad you didn't. Good afternoon, Arlene Magumby. Good afternoon, Arlene. Which grandma's hung in a 3 4 hour sell stop. 3 4 hour sell stops and push down. Yeah, absolutely. Didn't save your ass. It is what it's going to do. Close my Nadex. Option on that drop and made over $200 easy dollars. Thank you, Bri. Yeah, isn't it great? Nadex is fucking awesome. Too scared to play the drop. Smart woman, Maria. Genius move staying out of it. Go freaking awesome morning. Who else made profit on the drop? Well, I did. It's sort of a set it and forget it thing. It gets some super easy. All right. With Nadex, you can just set it and just, if you know where it's going to be, just make sure it's Monday or Tuesday. You make the move and just wait. That's it. I was negative on 750 on NAS 4 hour and closed out 7. Nice, Kim. Congratulations, Jason Ellen. Kim Envy. Kim the Candle Envy. Nice, Kim. So yes, you can show it. U.S. oil 1 minute sell stop. What's up, Parda? We can look at that in a second, Parda. All right, so no one remembers. I don't remember if I called this one. I don't want to stop it and go back and listen, but I'm probably about 80, 90% sure I would have called this. Let me see what Bitcoin would look like. I would have, because I want to know if that was a proper read or not. See, that wouldn't have been called, so it'd been Ethereum. Well, I hope I helped somebody on that one, but maybe not. I don't know. All right, let's get out of there. Oh, what did XRP do? XRP. Oh, yeah. Nope, 1 hour, 4 hour. What was XRP then? 5 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute. XRP was a 1 minute, 5 minute. I sure hope I called that too. To the 15-minute blue line. 1 minute sell stop XRP to the 15-minute blue line. 30-minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour buy. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop XRP. Weekly buy stop XRP. Weekly sell stop XRP. Monthly buy stop XRP. All right, let's go back to it. All right. US 30. We were in 1 minute US 30. NAS SPX. Last words I said before it opened. If you're in them, lock in profit, stay in the trade, sell. You would have sold right here when I was telling you to get out. That'd have been 228 pips. Stay out. Don't get back in. I have my trade open on one. I closed my other one down. Yeah. I still have this trade open right here, the only one I have open at all in any of the two accounts that are in this. Well, I have my Nadex open, I guess, but those are demo. So just keep it that way. I wouldn't horse shit around. I wouldn't worry about 1 minute. I wouldn't do shit. Just stay out of the market. Now, with that in mind, the same pattern that you're about to see formed on everything. Matter of fact, let's just start with gold. Here we go. Gold. Okay. This is gold 1 hour, 4 hour. It's as simple as anything. So this is how you're going to trade. Everyone listen up. Everyone doesn't have to get confused. If you're having trouble on your entries and you're getting sucked into the 1 minute, 5 minutes, you don't want to play them, then fuck off with the 1 minute, 5 minutes and go to the 1 hours. Okay. Go to the 1 hour or 15 minute, 30 minute, or preferably the 1 hour, 4 hours, and stay up there in that range. You won't get sucked into anything. You're just going to win. It's just what it does because the system is if you're not trained enough to see the 1 minute, 5 minute trades, and stay off that time frame. Okay, so now let's go up to here. I'm going to run through gold, US 30, NAS, SPX, and ER USD. I'm going to go through them all. I'm going to show you the same exact pattern. 4 hour, gold, flat line. Number one, all you have to see is this blue line down here on the sniper is flat and at the bottom of this indicator right here. Number two, it arched up. What arched up? The 1 hour blue line came up high. See, it's up here. If you look at this indicator, it's down low. Okay, so let's show you again so you guys can see clearly. This is the future. You can't see the future. Nothing you can do except our indicators can see the future with near 100% accuracy. Okay, so let's go back over to here. Let's go over to here. Let's make that orange. All right, now, so let's be clear. You can clearly see before any downward movement that number one was flatlined. You can see it up against this purple. It's down low. Number two, the purple is our future. You can't see the future. We don't know what's going to happen. No one does except the indicators. Number two, the blue line arched up high. Okay, fair enough. That's all you really need to know, but let's just keep on looking. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. I lost my things. Hold on. Let me grab my numbers. Zoop over here and zoop over here. Because when you can't see the future, you really can't see the future. 3. Right here, you have the pink line arched up. So what does that mean? This pink line right here came up. Okay. So, let me take this purple off. Sorry. Damn, got it. There you go. Pink line. What is a pink line? I don't know. It's pink. It looks like that. That's what I'll move this forward for you. That's what it looks like right there. That's the pink that's arched up. All right. Number 4. Is there a sell stop that forms? Let's keep going forward. Remember, these are all 1 hour candles. You'll see right here, red, 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 green, right? Red, red actually up here, right here. And then that is a sell stop. Okay. So what do? We open it up on the yellow line like I told my brother and showed my brother to do this morning. Nothing, nothing, nothing. You actually would have made money on that move. Nothing, 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 nothing. Look, this is what you have. This is current right here. And then you can see your sell stop would have been on the yellow line. You would have caught every pip humanly possible on this trade. If I remember correctly, I remember telling you guys it always arches up before. This might be the arch up before. I showed you that on SPX. And that's what that was. So that's how it looks on gold, 1 hour, 4 hour. Okay. Now we're going to go over US 30, 1 hour, 4 hour. Let's see, is it the same thing? It is. US 30, that was gold 1 hour, 4 hour. This is US 30. Number 1, is the blue line flat? It is. Number 2, did the blue line arch up on the 1 hour? It did. Number 3, did the pink line arch up on the 4 hour? It did. Number 4, is there a sell stop? Sell stop is red, 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 green, red, red. Yes, there is. We put a sell stop on our little line right here, boop, like this. We wait. You made money there, by the way, and then you made a shit ton of money right there today. Again, this purple is our future. You can't see the future, but the indicators can see the future with 100% accuracy. So let's try it again. That was gold. That was US 30. Let's see if NAS is the same way. NAS right here. NAS right here. Now, NAS is on a higher time frame, 4-hour daily. Let's see. Number 1, did NAS's daily flatline? Yes, it did. Number 2, did the blue arch up? Let's come over here and look. Number 2, right here, did the blue arch up? Yes, it did. Number 3, was the pink line arched up? Yes, it was. Number 4, is there a sell stop? Yes, there is. Right here, a sell stop. And then did it go down? Yes, it did. So that's the same exact pattern for NAS. SPX, 1 hour. Is this slow enough for everybody? 1 hour. And I don't mean that derogatorily. 1 hour. This is what Mike said. My brother's in this trade. This is how he set him up this morning. I went over this exact same scenario with him. All right, so let's take a look. You can't see the future on SPX, but my indicators can. My indicators see the future with 100% accuracy. Number 1, was the blue line flat? Yes, it was. Number 2, did the blue line arch up against it? Yes, it did. Number 3, was there a pink up archment over here? Yes, there was. Number 4, was there a sell stop right here? Yes, there was. Let's take a look. Red, 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 green. This is 1 hour 1 hour candles. Every one of these are 1 hour time periods. They're not actually candles. I should quit saying that. Nothing, 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 nothing. Oh, there it goes down. And you're in the money. That's it. I showed you on gold. Oh, wait. Oh. Can I see ERUSD for a quick second? Hold on. Yep, let me see ERUSD here. Nope, we have to go to 4 hour. We have to go to daily. Yep. So ERUSD is a 4 hour daily. Same pattern, same thing. Here we go. Number 1, is the flat line, blue line, and ERUSD daily flat? It is. Number 2, Jeemers was calling. Hold on. James? I'm on a live. What's going on, Jeemers? Oh, she must have butt dialed me. Okay. Okay. Sorry, it was my sister. All right. So then number 2, did it arch up against it, the flat blue line? It did right here. You can clearly see it. These are 4 hour candles on the top, daily on the bottom. Number 3, did the pink rise up with it? It did. Number 4, was there a sell stop? There was. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. Are you in the money? Yes, you are. And that's it. So now on all of those, by the way, my options, demo options only, are still rolling. And we're having a lot of fun with those suckers because they all flipped. Again, this is the power. Sometimes if you buy your Monday options, they don't flip until Friday. That you have to accept that as it can happen. You have to hang in there and just say, okay, let's see what happens. I didn't close down any of these trades, even though they were severely negative. I kept them open, and there they are. Now we're up $2,400 for the week. All you have to do is place out a few options. If you have, say, $1,000, right, and you do some 50 options, so you have a 50 strike price options. Usually they're not that. They're 52 or 48. Let's just say they're 50 on Nadex. When you do that and you actually open up the trade, you can open up 20 of them, let's say, give or take. It'd be a little over 1,000, but you'd have $1,000 in there. By the end of the week, you can make $1,000 for the week on the options. It's that simple. You can just set them, and like he said, like Jason said, just basically set it and forget it. But anyways, get back to this. So every one of you have to understand, when you see this, when you see ERUSD with the same pattern, when you see SPX with the same pattern, when you see NAS with the same pattern, when you see US 30 with the same pattern, when you see gold with the same pattern, why would you want to play around with the 1 minute, 5 minutes anymore? Which I do. I do the 1 minute with you every day to keep you all entertained so you don't fucking go running away. I do 5 minutes with you every day so you're entertained. You don't go running away. Hell, yesterday we went down to 5-second ones to find stuff for you to trade every day. But the reality is, just like I did for my brother this morning, I set him up on SPX, this exact trade right here. I actually had him put in the trade. And no, it's nothing that's different. I told you guys to do the same exact thing. 1 hour on the top, 4 hour on the bottom. 1, 2, right here, 3, 4. There's your sell stop. I told him to put it right on the yellow line. There's his money. I don't know how much more. What I tell my own brother, I tell you guys. Oh, I don't know. Does that make sense to any of you or all of you? Or is there still someone here? Is there someone new that doesn't make sense to? Someone old that doesn't make sense to? Oh, I got caught in a 5-minute, 15-minute. I just told you to play the 1 hour, 4 hours. It's boring. You won't have any play to make for days on end, sometimes for a week. But if you do 1 hour, 4 hour trades with the sniper, you cannot miss. And technically, if you do the 15 minutes, you can't miss either. But I don't want to argue with you guys. Some of you are just whatever. I really don't know. Yes, says Marcus Mike Jones. Thank you, Marcus Mike Jones. Yes. So, Bob, did that make sense to you? The Griffey, did that make sense to you? BHH, Zim, did that make sense to you? Artificial Life, did that make sense to you? Negative. Yep. U.S. oil, 1 minute sell stop. Thank you for that. Good morning. So now, what's your prediction on ads? Please advise. Thank you, Martin. Martin, just leave. Literally, I just gathered you guys up hundreds, if not thousands of pips. I'm good. Esther, 15 minutes. I don't care. Thumbs up now, KR 15. Thank you, KR. Thank God. Thanks, Kev Bri. Pip Hunter. Damn system works, worth every penny. Thank you, Pip Hunter. Good morning, Dr. McCain. The hell was that? Good morning, Shuki SCO. Did it make sense? Yes. Tank Docs. Thanks, Babu. Great teaching. Got to thank you, Canada. Yes. Jason Westberg, US 30. Don't care. Paul, yes. Bob Eaton, yes. With the 5:15 minute on NAS, how come the higher time frame up before the lower? Jonathan. Jonathan. Let's take a look. Let's go back to our drawing board here. So we were in 1 minute sell stops. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Everyone here remembers the 1 minute sell stops we were in and playing before the announcement of NFP. Jonathan answered the question and everyone else answered the question. Does everyone remember the 1 minute sell stops? I said, lock in your profit on your 1 minute sells, stay in those sells. Hopefully it won't tap us out. Does everyone remember that? Yes or no? Okay. So Jonathan says yes. Bob says yes. Paul says yes. Anyone on TikTok remember it? Yes, I remember. Okay. So we're in 1 minute sell stops. Now, the write out, the actual thing that I said was this: 5 minute buy stops the US 30 blue line. That's what we're waiting for, right? So we said, okay, cool. Let's come over to the 5 minute. Let's go over here. It's going to be really hard to see these calls because the way the drop is, it throws all the charts off hard. But let's just take a look, see what we can see. Let's go over here. So we'll go over to our SPX. And we'll go over to our SPX down here. All right. So right here, 5 minute buy stops. Did it engage the 5 minute buy stops? Yes or no? Did it engage? Did it go up and engage the 5 minute buy stops? Yes or no? I love you. Hey, Billy. What's up, Billy? Thank you for saying that. Love you too, Billy. Have a great weekend, Billy. Hope you don't have to work every day. You literally caused Virgin got off the live, said NAS will pull up again, not over, then bick that down, and you 100%. Thank you, Solace. Correct. Richard says yes. Yes, I remember. Okay. So did it engage? No. Jonathan Owens, you're telling me that it went up and engaged the 5 minute buy stops on SPX, US 30, or NAS. That is 100% incorrect. I don't know what area you're on. There's no way we were engaged in a 5 minute buy stop on any of the three indices. Now, I don't know about ER, USD, or gold. I guess I could check that if you want me to. But US 30 and NAS never engaged, which is shocking, actually. Never engaged on SPX, never engaged on US 30, never engaged on NAS, never did. Gold, never engaged. Let me see ERUSD. Never engaged on ERUSD. So the buy stops for your 5 minutes never engaged. And I guess, Jonathan, just so we're clear, and that's why I keep saying it on certain things, I don't want it to hit on XRP and skip over it on the sell, is sometimes when God is blessing you, our system is set up so you don't lose right here. There you are. That's your entrance. We were in sell stops. There is a candle before it came in and never arched up above it. Okay. So when it does not engage you in the trade, and sometimes that happens, especially when they have the bullshit news like today, is I would rather them spiked it up on the 5 minute, 15 minute, let us make our money and then come back down again. But in this particular case, they never engaged it. So what happens is you put your buy stop up. Matter of fact, I have a buy stop above there and it never engaged. You follow? I can move around the line. I can move around my buy stop line. That's how you know it's not engaged. So this buy stop that was here never engaged. If it would have, I would have tried to got out super quick, made my money and get out, but it never did. So in other words, the system is made up to never engage the wrong way and only engage the right way. So if you had your buy stops and sell stops set up properly, like myself, for instance, this morning, thank God, got lucky, is I never entered into the wrong trade. So your question shouldn't be, why didn't it engage? You should be saying, thank you, God, for your system that had it set up so it never engaged in the first place to lose money. The object isn't always to win. The object is always to never lose. So when you guys tell me, oh, I lost money on this trade, I got suckered in, I'm thinking the whole fucking time you guys are playing 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes when you should be playing 30 minute, 1 hours, 4 hours and dailies. Because you don't want to get suckered in on anything and lose. So why did it skip it? Because they came out with bullshit news, because I predicted it was going to do it weeks ago. Last week, this week, I've been writing out to the 4 hour blue line forever. I drew it out for you on the 4 on NAS what it was going to do. As a matter of fact, I'm actually shocked it did it this early. To be honest with you, I really thought we'd get more of a M looking thing, but it still is. I mean, it still did its little thing. Did I not draw out the last? I said, it's going to come up, come over, do this, come back over, come up, do this, and that's what it's going to do. It was going to do its M thing again, and that's what it did. So yeah, I know you're saying, well, why didn't a 5 minute, 15 minute? Sometimes it won't engage those, and that's okay. I'm hoping for that exact same scenario for XRP, not to engage its daily, weekly sell stop. I am desperately hoping, and I think we can avoid it. I think we can avoid the weekly sell stop. But this is a weekly sell stop, XRP, to the blue line. But I think because the broken Bach against a non-broken Bach on the daily, we can avoid that drop. But again, we might not. XRP might go down. And if XRP goes down, XRP is going to 20 cents, 23 cents a coin, a bullshit coin. So that's all. So I'm hoping that this is going to be avoided on the weekly and we can skip it and go strictly to the monthly buy. Because if we can get that monthly buy, you'll see XRP well past the $1.74. So yeah, it can skip time frames. The likelihood of it skipping a higher time frame is negligible. But to skip a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, fuck yeah, it does and can and will, and hopefully all the time does for us. We don't have to have every one of those play out, if that makes sense. So hopefully that helped you, Jonathan. Hey, Kev, who is going to play in the Hollywood Bibles? Kevin Rego. I don't know. Who do you guys want me to play me? Who's cocky enough out there? Tom Cruise is old enough. How about Tom Cruise? Of course, he's good looking and I'm ugly as fuck. Exactly. Drew it out yesterday. I thought so, Solace. Hey, Mike Galinsky, tell everybody how much you made. Good morning, Azar. Mike Glowinski, my best friend from 40 years ago, and his twin sister, Michelle. I think I'm going to have Michelle. I'm going to have to help her load in her indicators. I doubt she's able to do it. Poor thing. All right. So this is it. So this is your trades. This is what they look like. I mean, I don't know why didn't it work out, blah, 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 blah. Because they can skip, especially on shitty news days, so you can skip it. Again, as I was telling you right before it did it, I said, I hope we get that 5-minute pull up, get out quickly, 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop, and then be ready for those 1 hour sells or stay in your 1 hour. That's what I was trying to get you to do. The 1 minute, I should say. That's all. So again, if you're having troubles and you're getting caught in 1 minute, 5 minutes, Mike caught 142 pips. Nice. She got them. Oh, so she has them installed, Glow? Is she okay? Because Michelle's usually been on lately. She hasn't been on the last couple of weeks. 142 pips. Glow, if you knew how good 142 pips was, you'd shit yourself. 142 pips is 132 pips more than a professional trader, which is insane. That's the equivalent of 10 trade, 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks of trading for a professional trader to get 142 pips. And nothing to it, but Glow's strictly a rookie. He's just getting started. He's like a newbie. He's a baby. He's getting his feet wet. That's all that is. Mark Wahlberg. Yeah, I could see that. He's built. Bob Booten says. Yes, insane call this morning, says Mark Parker. Yes, says Glenn. Woody Harrelson can play. I love Woody. And Woody's nuts like I am too. He's in all of that alternative shit. I'd love Woody Harrelson to play it. That'd be wild. But yeah, that's it. So that's how you do it. So some of you get discouraged. Oh, well, the 1 minute. Well, the 1 minute sell. 1 minute sell, by the way. Do we really want to play this? Oh, fuck. I wouldn't take the trade. Let it go up higher. 1 minute sell, stop, US 30, but whatever. Tom Hardy. Yeah, he's big, dude. Sorry, Kevin, not Kevy. Kevy, you can call me Kevy. Good call, Bob. He's got the build. Tom Hardy's a big fucker, too. Remember him in... he's the one that played Bane, right? Tom Hardy? Am I thinking of the right dude? Bane, right? Yeah. In Batman? Tom Hardy played Bane. I think I'm right. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm right. All right. So, does anybody have questions on what I just went over for Jonathan? And why didn't this work out? Well, sometimes, especially if there's shitty little news, it can skip those things. And sometimes it can skip them anyways. And sometimes they never engage. And the whole point is it for to never engage, to get you in the wrong thing. Does everybody semi-understand that, or would you like me to go over it again? Do you semi-understand it, Azar, Zim, Artificial Life, Marcus Jones, Mike Jones, the Griffey, Bob? Mike Linsky, Cole Hauer. Who the hell is that, Mike? Cole Hauer. Now, I don't know who they're going to get to play Bri. Bri is so fucking gorgeous and great shape. I don't think there's an actress pretty enough to play Bri. I swear to God. You guys only knew. Cole Hauer. Who the hell is this dude? Hauer. What? Is he an actor? Oh, he's in yellow. Oh, he's the Yellowstone dude? Oh, he's the bad fucking ass on Yellowstone? Glow, I am not a killer. Well, I would in 2 seconds if someone threatened my family, but that's funny. Yellowstone guy. Rip. Yeah, okay. Oh, my God. Okay, yeah, that's a good one. I wish I could do half the shit he gets away with. I would do it in 2 seconds, but in real life, we'd all be in jail. What about my best friend, Chris Smith? Chris down here, big ass fella, 300-pound dude, 6'3", monstrous, strong as a fucking ox. He says I always remind him of Rip or Kevin Costner's character, the boss dude. I laugh because he's used to me, working and running the 3 gyms and stuff. That's funny. Oh my God. Yeah, I got it, says Zim. Okay, you understand. Okay, Azar, great. Yay, Zim and Azar, congratulations. I love the way you talk about your wife, Bri. Oh, she's spectacular. There is no, like, if everyone says, "Oh, I want a star pass. I want a famous person pass. I'm gonna get a pass for this person. I want this." The fuck I would. You can put naked Jessica Alba in front of me and I wouldn't touch her with a 10-foot pole. Bri is hotter, prettier, nicer, kinder, smarter. Well, she's a billionaire, but Bri's also a billionaire. She doesn't know it yet, though. We're getting there. So no, Bri would destroy any girl. Jessica Alba. Who do you think's hot out there? Megan Fox. She is better looking than Megan Fox. Oh, not her body is better looking than Megan. Her soul by far is better looking than Megan Fox. True story. There's no one that could play Bri. She's too pretty, too great a shape, too perfect. She's just gorgeous, just gorgeous. And I'm not just saying inside and out. More importantly, inside. Very kind, very sweethearted. Doesn't get angry, doesn't get, really upset. You know what I'm saying? Well, she gets upset, but not like, where it's screaming or yelling. She never does. She's just a good person, a good quality, good human being, good soul. And maybe that's why I see all the beauty in her, but she's absolutely stunningly gorgeous also. Stunningly gorgeous. So that's my opinion. I'll stick with it, I guess. Wolf of Main Street, helping the people of Main Street. Kevin now has, how many pips do you think we should take? I know the rule says 2 the pips in SPX, but what about NAS? The next one says 10 to 20, but sometimes doesn't play out that long for me. Rules are, and I don't know how many, 1 minute, I told you not to take it. You got to let this blue line arch up. Wait for this to come up higher. It's going to hook, come back around. Rules are, I don't understand. You have rules. Okay, hold on. You guys are really starting to get to me again. Let's take a look. Rules are this. Go over to your rules. Okay. Go over to your rules. Go over to your rules. Go over to your rules. Can I get over to my rules? Right here. Go over to the rules. Now, come on. Really? Go down to your rules. Go down to your rules. Go down to your rules. Go down to your rules right here. Take 1 to 2 to 3 pips profit. Advanced option. Open 2 sell stops or more at 1 lot sizes or more. And then what do? Once you're in profit, you close one down and lock the other one to break even. And you let it run. For how long? If you're a greedy pig, I guess you can go for 100 pips or more on NAS. I would do 50 on NAS. I would do 100 on US 30, and I would do probably 20 on SPX. And what do you mean it doesn't always work that way? If you're playing 1 hour, 4 hours, or 4-hour days, it always will work that way. 100%. Oh, it doesn't. Wait, what? Just don't be a greedy pig. Take your money and get the fuck out of the trade. That's all I can tell you, Jonathan. Jonathan, I think you're trying to nitpick, and you need to really start seeing bigger pictures. If you make money on a trade, take it and run. How about that? That's what I tell you. I believe Arnold Schwarzenegger should be better. Talk to my hand, Black. Fly the sky with Arnold Schwarzenegger. That'd be funny as fuck. J-Flow, I was engaged in a 5-minute just before the news. Had 20 pip stop loss, took me to 90 pips. Yeah, J-Flow, they do not honor your stop losses on a move like that. Now, if it's slower or if you were a Nadex, they would. Nadex honors your orders as if you were a big boy. It's immediate. But if you're in anything to do with any kind of trade that either goes up or down, Glow was in profit. Mike Glowinski was in profit, but they wouldn't close his trade down right away. They were closing down all the institutional orders, right? So they're closing down all those. He couldn't get out in profit in time, but it backfired on him because it kept on the brokerage house because it kept going down and he kept making more money. Then they honored it. Then they closed the trade down. But if you're in a wrong way on that kind of movement, they will not honor it. I teach you guys that when I do it. They absolutely will not honor that. And that's called horseshoes and hanging aids. Tough shit. That's the way it goes, J-Flow. Next time, don't trade it. Go over again, please. Absolutely will do. Bri, you the best, and thanks again for holding. Oh, Precious is up. Okay, gotta go. I'll be right back. Up over $300 morning. Nice job, Cliffy. Good morning, Cliffy. The inside is what matters. Absolutely. Will broker return loss? No. The broker ain't going to turn none of your loss. No, J-Flow. That's called a learning experience for you. Oh, shit. Yeah, I'll be done by that. Oh, boy. But yeah, no, Jay, that's called a learning experience. Nope. That's called slippage, actually, if you want to know the truth. Well, a version of slippage. Be right back in a minute. All right, guys, I'm back. Now, where were we? Talking about how beautiful Bri was. No, I don't remember where we were at. So I wasn't trying to nitpick anything. I just wanted to get more understanding. Yes, sir, I understand that, but you need to start looking at bigger pictures of things. 10 minutes to market open, 10 minutes to market open, 10 minutes to market open. Don't play it. Do not play it. Cheesecake Factory. Hey, Precious, I got a Cheesecake Factory for my birthday. Chloe said, thank you, Mr. and Mrs. G. All right, see that going up now? This is perfect. All right. Okay, let me do a fucking play, then I'll get back to your messages. 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute. Hold on a second. This is funny as fuck. Hold on. This is funny. Hold on. 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. What are we on? US 30? 30, US 30, US 30. 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute buy, 15 minute buy, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute. Yeah, you guys are going to have a heart attack. I'm just calling what I see. Here we go. US 30. US 30. 5 minute sell stop off the yellow line. US 30. 15 minute buy stop. US 30. Can't call a 1 hour sell. That's it. That's all you need to know. Either play the 5 minute sell stop and it comes down, or play the 15 minute buy stop. Either or, your choice. NAS 100. NAS 30 minute buy stop. NAS 100. Not high enough yet. 1 minute sell stop. NAS 100. SPX. It's not high enough yet on the 5 minute to do a sell. 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute. 30 minute, 30 minute. It's going to do the sell. 1 minute sell. So 1 minute sell stop, 5 minute. These are 15 minute now. I'm going to change this to a 15 minute. It's not, do I really think it's going to go up? No, but I'm reading the charts so you can actually see it. That's what it's saying it's going to do. I would play a, let me see that US 30 again. I would play a bounce off. Let this rise up a little bit higher. Yeah, let this go up a little bit higher. 1 minute sell stop, but I would play this off the 5 minute yellow line right here. Let me draw it out for you. I swear to God. This here, it's going to hook over here. It's going to come like that. That's what I think. Now, how high is that going to hook up on? I don't know. Can we make money on that hookup? Not likely. No. I mean, it'd have to raise up a shit ton. I don't see that occurring. Can it go up back up to here again? We re-enter again? Yep, absolutely it can. There you go. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stops, 15-minute buy stops across the board for all three indices. We have about 6 minutes to market open. Nope. Cheesecake Factory. Precious, I got a thing for Cheesecake Factory. Yay, we're going to the Cheesecake Factory again. We got so many gift cards. I love the Cheesecake Factory. Oh, it's so good. All right. Nope, not calling any buys other than that. That's what you do. That's what you wait for. You do it any way you want. Hey, Kev, it's your birthday today. No, it is not. My birthday is Mike Linsky's birthday is the 15th. My recently passed deceased uncle is the 9th. My Michelle Linsky's birthday is 15 too. My Uncle Jack birthday, my mom's sister's husband's still alive. He's like 91. His birthday's the 19th. I know I'm forgetting someone else's, but my birthday is October 20th. My birthday is October 20th. And I ain't going to tell you how old I am, but I am an old motherfucker. I'm old as the hills. I still feel like I'm 15, but it's I can't believe I'm as old as I am. It's crazy. When everybody tells you time flies and you'll be old before you know it, yep, and then you're going to be dead before you know it. Yep, true stories. Enjoy your lives. Don't take everything so seriously. None of this shit matters. None of it. Yes, we're here trying to make money. Yes, we're here making money. I understand that. But in the long scheme of things, it's the memories. If anything you're going to get out of this world, I pray to God, and I do believe in my heart and soul that it's your memories. So make good ones. Make good memories while you're here. All right. It's not my birthday, Sam UK. It's not my birthday, Sam. It's not my birthday. Oh, sorry. We were talking about Jay. Will broker return loss? No, I'm sorry. That's slippage. Yep, correct, says We Trucking. No, they won't, says Mike. 1 minute gold. I can look at that. Yeah, Jay, it sucks. Unfortunately, you just have to learn from it. The biggest thing to do is don't start chasing trades now. Try to make up for that loss. You'll spiral. Amen to that, Jason. Good point. Got it, says Mike Manoy LeBroy. No, NFP crazy like that. Every time. NFP payroll is like that, and so is CPI. Every time. Zap One, it's Goroff here. Oh, what's up, Zap 1S? Good. Glad you're here, Goroff. Bob Uten. Yep. Let's go, says Goroff B. Oh, how many Goroffs you got? You're right. You are so right. Thank you. Oh, okay. I don't know. Hopefully we're talking about that whole memories business. Just got your system, Kev. Hey, Al, what's up, buddy? Congratulations. Everyone welcome Al from TikTok. Yay, Al from TikTok. Yay. Can everyone on YouTube and TikTok welcome Al? Al, learn the sit. Boy, Al, we have my advice to you is follow the rules. Follow the type form. Follow everything. Don't ask us for shit. Learn to take responsibility for your own trading, and you're going to do really well. I promise you. This system is pretty much idiot-proof, but a lot of people overthink it. A lot of people get into trades they shouldn't get into. I get that. I understand. But, yeah, that's awesome, Al. Just follow the rules, and you're going to do really well. Welcome, Al. Oops, let me show Al on TikTok. We're over on YouTube, Al. Let me show you over here. Our YouTube channel is right over here. Here's the channel. There it is. We have about 3,000 subscribers, 742 videos. Here's the live. And I think there's a few people welcoming you. Let's go over here. And oops, you can't see it. Go over there. There we go. All right. 3 minutes to market open. After we're done welcoming Al, I'll go over it again. Al, welcome. Welcome, Al. Gavin Greer. Thank you, Galvin. Thank you for speaking up, Tracy. Thank you, everybody. Tank Dog. Welcome, 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 welcome. Never, ever give up. Correct, Tip Hunter. Never. Okay, that's a good one, too. Follow the rules and never give up. Welcome, Al. See, so there's people over here on TikTok, on YouTube welcoming you. Okay, I like that. Probably more important is never give up. Because if you give up, you're wasted your money. I don't want you to fucking give me free money. I don't want that. I want to give you shit tons of money in return. All right. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. Oh, this is gorgeous. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. 1 minute, 5 minutes. I don't even know what the hell I'm trading here. This is beautiful. I would take this trade every day and twice on Fridays. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. US 30. Perfect. Not high enough on NAS. 1 minute sell stop on NAS. Take it if you want or don't take it. I don't care. There is 15-minute also buys. Feel free to take those. I wouldn't touch those with a 10-foot pole. Let me see something over here. Let me go over. Can I get over here and take this trade? Hold on a second. I'm doing another account trade here if I can. Okay, we're in. Now, if you want to wait and don't take these trades and do the 15-minute buy stops, feel free. That's up to you and how you play these trades, entirely up to you. I'm not here to show you or force you into anything. You guys are your own bosses. You can do a 15-minute buy, feel free. You can do, we should have already been bounced off this. Fuck. You can do a 15-minute buy. I'll put NAS down here. All right. Don't play the market open, number one. If you're going to play the market open, lock in your profits. We have shit tons of money already made. Number two, if you're going to lock in profits, you got to move fast. Do not stay in and out of these trades long at all. You get the fuck out of a trade. You don't stay in a trade. Am I clear? Do not stay in these trades. 5-minute sell stop US 30. 15-minute buy stop US 30. 1 minute sell stop SPX. 1 minute sell stop NAS. 15-minute buy stop NAS. 15-minute buy stop SPX. Personally, I like a spike up. I'd like it to do this, just like I showed you. Let me take this one away. Right here. I would like it to do this right here. Oopsie. Hold on. Why didn't I grab that? Hold on. I like it to come over, come here, hook, and come up like this on the 1 minute. And then I would like to do it the opposite right here on the 5 minutes. So if you can see that 1 minute arch up a little bit, I'd like to see it then hook and come down. Let me get rid of this one. So whichever flavor, whichever time frame is your favorite play, if you're really good at these, we'll see this right here like that. And that's what you'll see. And I personally think that's what you're going to see in a little bit. Whether that pullback happens at 10 or 10:15, I don't know. You'll see something like that. All right. Oh, by the way, I do believe we're already in the money. Hold on. Yep. You're in the money on your sell on US 30. If you took that and engaged that, that's fine. If not, that's fine too. Okay. Market open. Market open. We're in market open. You're in market open. There you go. Take your profit out of your US 30. You don't need to stay in that trade any longer. Take profit out of US 30. You don't need to stay in that trade any longer. What's going on with NAS? NAS going up? Let's see. NAS 1 minute. Nothing to call on this. It's still a 1 minute sell. You have to wait. Let it go up to the blue line up here is where it's going to be. This is a buy stop to the blue line, 1 minute NAS unofficially. It's got to go close to that yellow line. I don't want to call NAS on that sell. I just don't. If you take the NAS sell, that's on you. I'm not going to take that NAS sell. I'm going to wait. You're in the money on your US 30 sell. NAS has to go up higher. Don't take the sell yet. You're in the money on your US 30 sell a lot. You're up good money on the US 30 sell. Oh, shit. Hold on. Oh, ho, ho. Fuck, fuck, fuck. There it is. Yep. Close down your US 30 trade. You're in the money on the US 30 1 minute sell. Close that down. Unofficially, 1 minute buy to the blue line, US 30. Unofficially, 1 minute buy NAS to the blue line. Unofficially, that means you don't want to take it. You don't have to take it. But I do believe you're going to see these unofficially go up. I'll explain how I'm calling these and why later. SPX, 1 minute buy to the blue line. SPX, 1 minute buy, NAS to the blue line. You're already in the money if you took it, but I wouldn't recommend taking that trade by any stretch. Now US 30 is a little different on this one. You should have already made your money on the sell. You can stay in the sell. It was off the 5 minute line. You should have did it somewhere in here. If you're in that, you're up about 20, 30, 40 pips, which is true. I'm up 30, 50, 80, all depending on where you're at with the whole movement. So that's US 30 in the money. Close it down. If you opened up two, you can keep one open and close the other one down, move it to break even. Here we go. Now we're up to where we need to be. There we go. Now we're getting up a little bit higher. I'm going to call a sell stop here, but to go up a little bit more for NAS 100. Let's go up a little bit higher. I need it to go up a little bit higher. This is a unofficial. You can see clearly what I was teaching you guys the other day. Blue line came up, pink line came down. It's going to the blue line. I was teaching you the opposite of that yesterday, where I was teaching you what the sell looks like. But if you look at the buy right here, it's the exact same thing. Same thing. Blue, boom, 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 up. US 30. Same thing. Boom. See, that's why you're going to see this little hook too. Probably you're going to see it come back up. But you've already made enough money on that sell. You can get out of the trade like I told you to. If you prefer to stay in it, feel free. This is much better than that. Now we're just getting there on NAS. We were already there on US 30. That's the difference. See, this needs to rise up some more right now. Hook in between these yellow and red, or preferably go above this red. When it goes above the red, we'll have another opportunity for another sell. Let's see if we can get up to that blue line, though. Again, this is not official. This isn't a sell stop. This is a buy, unofficial buy. Blue had arched up. Pink came down. It's up. I was trying to teach you this and showing you this the other day. That's all. These green arrows mean nothing. Don't even worry about it. The arrows mean nothing. Look, there's your buy on the US 30 going to the blue line. The exact same thing. Let's watch it and see. Now, again, I can't teach you guys every fucking thing I try, but when I teach you too much, you guys get lost in space. So I'm just trying to show you what I can in different intervals and whatever. But this is unofficial. Now, if you don't want to play this, just wait for the 5-minute sell stop again. If you don't want to play these little 1-minute buys to the blue lines, then don't. You have a 5-minute sell stop, US 30 right here. But if it's going to go up and make you some pips, take it. Look, 5-minute sell stop off the yellow line, NAS. 5-minute sell stop off the yellow line, SPX. 5-minute. Doesn't negate the fact I think we're going to get still. You already made money, by the way, to the blue line once on SPX. You already made money on NAS to the blue line, and you made money, even a little bit of money on US 30 to the blue line. If you don't want to play these 1-minute little shitty little buy stops for a second here, then fucking don't. 5-minute sell stop US 30. 5-minute sell stop NAS. 5-minute sell stop SPX. Well, which do I play? Whichever you want to play. I'm not here. I'm not your daddy. You pick whatever time frame. You're freaking adults. Yeah, that was a touch up. I like that right there. Watch US 30 be better, though. Yeah, you're in the money again on your sell on US 30. Play them either way you want. I'm telling you that I'm in the US 30 sell. I can give you a hint on that. I'm in the US 30 sell. So you guys play anything you want. I make and have made $250, $260 on the sell. See it go down? There you go. There you go. Beautiful. Hold on. There we go. Let me see the NAS too. I think our NAS is doing it again. Not enough yet, but we're still in the money on NAS. Yep. So you're in the money on the US 30 sell. A lot of money on the US 30 sell. Buy stop 1 minute, US 30 to the blue line. Buy stop NAS 1 minute to the blue line. Not excellent, but close. SPX. Buy stop 1 minute to the blue line. Or if you'd rather not play those, 5-minute sell stop. Wait till about, I think we got about another anywhere from 9:45 to 10:15. Then you should see a nice little drop between now and then. Give it to about 10:05. If it's going to drop, that's when you'll see it go. Let me see gold real quick. Nice money on US 30. Nice money on US 30. Look at how beautiful this is. This couldn't be any more picture perfect than if we had a logo on our store that looks just like this. What do I mean? Let's take a look in this logo. Reading rainbow. I can do anything. It's in a book. It's in a book. Reading rainbow. I can go to the safetytrade.com and see a red down arrow. Now it's 3D and it's red and all that, but let's take a look. Logo started up, told to come down. Bullshit detector came up with the fill in the gap. You don't know what that is. And then it came down. That's our logo. How many times do I have to draw this out for you guys? Well, I get caught in this and I get caught in that and I get in the wrong thing. And well, then learn to find our logo. There it is. Whoop. there it is. Whoop, there it is. So let's take a look at US 30, 1 minute, 5 minute, and then I'll come back and actually make some more money for you guys. US 30, US 30. Now let's take a look. Number one, if you have the sniper, you need the sniper on this technically. You can't trade this via a dirty one. Price on the 5 minute, the blue line on the 5 minute sniper went down. The sniper is $150 more a month. Look at it drop. Look at your fucking money now, guys. Look at the fucking money now. Number two, did the blue line on the 1 minute rise up against the 5 minute? It did. See it up here? Number three, did the pink line rise up with it? Yes, it did. Number four, is there a sell stop? Boy, and how. There is a sell stop. Why? Because this is a broken Bach. Let me be specific with you. This is the Bach, the most important indicator in history of the world. It will go down as such. It will never be replaced by anything else ever because it's so accurate. The Bach broke. It went from red to green. That's what a Bach break means. What does that mean? Well, it Bach broke against a non-Bach break right here. You see how this is red? While this turned green. So this is called a sell stop. So with 100% accuracy, let me show you what that looks like. Let me show you exactly what that looks like in real life. This is our future. You can't see the future except for our indicators, which can. Number one, in the future, this is 1 minute, 5 minute. Can we see that in the future right here, right here? You can clearly see that the blue line has come down low. That's all you need to know. Number two, you can clearly see that this blue line has come up high. 5 minute is low, 1 minute is high. Then what has to happen? Well, now we have to wait for three. Does the pink line arch up? You can see clearly that the pink line arches up right here. You can see it. It's right there. It's up. Cool. Number four, is there a sell stop? And I'm telling you right now, right here, that there is a sell stop. A magnificent one, the most important one ever. 1,000 trade confirmations this is worth. 1,000 when the Bach broke here, but it was red here. Do you see this? Bach break here, green. Bach break, not break here. It's still red. We put in a sell stop like I told you to do, and now you're in the money, and that's your trade, and that's how it went down. That's as simple as I can make it. Put it right here, and down it goes. We're up three. I'm assuming NAS must be falling now too at this point because I have a NAS one open. Look at that money you just made on this trade. Does everybody understand what I just did? Bob Uten, the Griffey, user 53902, Al, Zim, Azar, Sam UK. Would love to buy a system for my daughter. She has no exercise training, but it's just so simple to follow. Hope she falls in love with this system like we all did. I really hope so, Damon. I'll say a prayer because she needs to have financial independence. Everyone needs a system. I swear, everyone's hurting out there. We can do it together. We can make our money. I promise you. Boom, US 30. Thanks, Kev. You're welcome, Sam UK. Yes, I see. Yes, I see. So, yay, Jonathan. Awesome. Candle Envy. Yes. Julie says yes. So you guys see it. This isn't everyone wants to play this in 30 seconds and 15 seconds. I explain this to you right here, right now, as you're making money. But the same principles hold true on 1 hour, 4 hours as the 1 minute, 5 minutes. The same principle holds true on a 30-minute 1 hour, 15-minute 1 hour. I allow you to do two on those. So there you go. I mean, can it get any easier? Shuki says, SCO says, thanks. Tom Williams says, yes. Stefan says, the system is amazing. Bob Uten, 386 for Bob. Congrats. Standing out for Bob. I'm going to arch up a second. There you go. Bob Uten in the money. Yes, says Julie Guy. Thank you, Julie, for answering. Did anyone else on TikTok understand what I just explained? Why is that big blue thing there? Watch, I'll hear that. I can't see the trades. The blue box is in the way. The blue box is in the way. Oh, it's turning to go up again. Yeah, not until after you already made your money on the down. These are 1 minute trades. Only thing I can think of worse than this is when I went down to the 5-second trades. That is insanity. It's in a book. It's in a book. I can do anything. It's in a book. It's in a book. All right. Would anybody like me to go over this again? Yes or no? Zim says, I understand. Yes. Congratulations, Zim. Good morning. Glad to buy the system yesterday. Naeem Asif. Yay, Naeem. If we haven't filled your order, if it was late in the evening, We will get to it by 11 this morning. Thanks, said Shuki. What about NAS on 1 hour, artificial life? What about NAS on 1 hour? We just made so much money on NAS 1 hour. What are you asking? Congrats and welcome, Naeem. Thank you for welcoming, Naeem. Yes, everyone, please welcome Naeem. Thank you, Damien. You caught me and I didn't remember. Would anybody like me to go over this again? Welcome, Naeem. Tank Dog, is that a yes? You want me to go over it again? Would anybody like me to go over this setup again? It's in a book. It's in a book. I can do anything. It's in a book. It's in a book. It's in a book. I can do anything. Let's go to shaving while we make money. Let's go ahead and say, hey, we're going to shave while we make money. Yeah, I'm shaving. So Goran says, yeah. Okay, I'll go over it. I'm putting in time markers in each of these days and we teach. Nice. And also record. If your life is worth living, it's worth taking a journaling, they call it. And if trading is worth trading, you are to make a recording of every time you make a trade at least. You should make a recording of every time I'm doing this session with you. Absolutely. Thank you, Cliffy, for saying thank you. Tank said yes again. I'm going to screen for absolutely, Johnny Green. I will. Marcus Jones, I sure will. Artificial life. I don't understand your question. I think I know what you mean, but I don't think you know what you mean. So why don't you ask it again? I can't do anything. It's in a book. It's in a book. Reading Rainbow. I can do anything. It's in a book. You know how hard it was to find a place to stop my emails from coming in, but it's Boomerang, and I strongly recommend them. Thanks, everyone. Yep, got to go. Bye, Candle Envy. Bye, Kim. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. All right, here we go. This blue blob is our future, okay? Blue blob of nothingness. So nothing, 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 nothing. Okay, this is your first alert. When you see the blue line down here on the 5 minute, top 1 minute, bottom 5 minute, doesn't matter what symbol, they're all the same. 1 minute, this could be 1 hour, 4 hour. This could be 15 minute, 30 minute. It doesn't matter. The slower time frame, in this case, the 5 minute, blue line went down. Down. You see it down? This is up. This is down. Up, down. Does everybody understand up and down? Have a great weekend, Maria. You and Steve have a great weekend. I'm still on here teaching, don't forget. Here we go. Does everyone see that the blue line went from high to low on this 5 minute chart? Yes or no? Especially the people are asking questions. Marcus, Johnny, do you understand? Do you see this? Annie says yes. Thank you, Annie. Have a wonderful weekend, Maria Toler. Tank Dog says yes. Bob Wooten says yes, sir. Marcus Jones says yes. Okay, so let's take a further look. Number 2. Okay, then we have to have the complete opposite happen. Okay, so the complete opposite is the 1 minute, or it could be 1 minute, 5 minute, could be 1 hour, 4 hour. But in this case, the 1 minute line went high. So does everybody see it went from low to high on the 1 minute? Yes or no? Great teaching since Danny River. Oh, thanks, Danny. Appreciate that, my brother. Yes, yes, yes. Welcome, Naeem. Yep. So does everybody see it, especially the people who didn't see it the first time? Tank Dog, Tom. Annie says yes. Yay, thank you, Annie Leland. It's in a book. It's in a book. I can do anything. It's in a schmook. It's in a book. All right, here we go. Number 3. Then we wait. What do we wait for? The sun to rise. No, for the pink line to rise up. Down here. Does everybody see the pink line rising up right down here? Pink line is going up to the top. Up to the top. Sometimes on the big higher time frames, the 4 hours, even the 1 hours, it may not go all the way to the top, but it's rising up. Now, in the 1 minute, 5 minutes, I wouldn't do a trade that's not all the way to the top. Does everyone see it's to the top? Yes or no? I need another yes from Marcus. Another yes from Annie. Another yes from Tank Dog. Naeem, yes. Okay. Now, remember, the system I'm showing you here is the safety trade sniper edition. This is $150 more a month, but my God, it's worth its weight in gold. All right, Solar, let's go back to you. Number 4, is there a sell stop? And this is where it gets very important. What is a sell stop? It is red, 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 green. And in the old way, the original, you'd have to have a red here. But in the sniper system, when you see a Bach break, meaning number 4, when the red turns to green, okay, and you come over to here, and that red is still red, and it didn't turn to green, meaning this is red on the 5-minute, this Bach turned to green here, that is called a Bach break. So let me show you what that looks like here. This right here, when the Bach breaks, which is what this is, it went from red to green, versus a non-Bach break equals 1,000 trade confirmations. What does that mean? Let me move this out of the way. That means this. Let me show you. That means literally and not figuratively. Literally, that means there's 1,000 different indicators saying this trade was going to go down. 1,000 of them. I'll blow up my computer if I put 1,000 on. But if there was 1,000 different indicators saying this was going to go down, 1,000 of them, 1,000 of them, not 10, not 15, but 1,000 indicators saying this trade was going to go down. 1,000 things were saying, 1,000 indicators were saying this Bach break versus non-Bach break, that this trade was going to go down. 1,000 of them. That's probably not even 20. There's 1,000 of them. So this trade had no choice but to go down. Now it's a 1-minute trade, so it's not going to go down 3 billion pips. Some of you, oh, it didn't keep going down, Kev. Look, it went up, Kev. Blah, blah. What the fuck are you talking about? This trade performed perfectly. Let me be clear. Look, sell stop right here. Down it went. 114. How much money am I up? Oh, I'm on NAS 300. Okay. That's 100 pips. Because I forgot that they made the big move today. Whenever there's a big movement, it's more volume the rest of the day. Boy, you better be right on your entrances. That's for damn sure. These motherfuckers keep knocking up my screen. But anyway, so that's how you play the trade. You put your sell stop. You should learn the rules, but on the yellow, near the yellow, on the yellow, on the red, whatever. And then down it went. And that's your trade. Did everybody understand it that time? The Bach break, I'll repeat it, means green from red to green. And then it didn't break over here. It stayed red. That's what it is. Okay? So that's the Bach break, and that's how you see the trade. Everybody understand that? Everybody get it? And that is your trade. Now, whether this happens right here like it did on the 1-minute, 5-minute, or whether it happens on the 1 hour, 4 hour like it did earlier, it doesn't matter. You always get in on the... No, there's different entrances. I'm not going to get into that right now. There's too many scammers. Yes, you understood it. Yes, you understood it. Danny River says, yes, sir. Great, Danny. Okay. And there you go. And that's how you make your trades. Now, without the system, you couldn't have taken this particular trade. Without the sniper, I should say. We have the OG, which is fine. You can use it. It's very simple. But because the Bach broke, you can't take the trade. So you need the sniper to be able to make this trade. See right here, this is a dirty sell stop. It's invalidated. You can't take it. Now maybe under NAS it didn't break. Let's see. Nope, NAS broke. Maybe under SPX it didn't break. It broke. So there's nothing I can do on that one. Sorry, you're just screwed. All right. It is Friday. I'm going to go ahead. Oh, should I wait till 10? All right, I'll wait till a little after 10. Let's see what happens. I do want to wait till a little after 10. Can you please repeat again, please? Oh, geez. I sure can, Martin. What's up, Ray? All right, here we go. We're going to do it again. Let's make another future. Let's make sure our future is bright and colorful. Let's make our future white and see how everyone can see that. All right. All right. So Everyone that's ever traded for more than a week probably has heard in the past, all indicators lag. I grew up with that for 5.5 years. I thought, damn, every indicator is a bunch of bullshit. They lag. Unfortunately, for those people, they're 100% wrong. All indicators except the safety trade system lags. The safety trade system doesn't lag. It actually predicts the future with 100% accuracy. I have to say 99. You got to give God a chance to do whatever he wants to do, because he can fuck anything up or make everything great. He can do whatever he wants to do. So 99% accuracy. Really, the only time I've ever had an issue, though, with anything is human error. People don't know how to read the charts. So this is what you got. The first thing you look for, this is 1 minute, 5 minute. On the top is a 1 minute chart. On the bottom is a 5 minute chart. It could be 15 minute, 1 hour. It could be 1 hour up here, 4 hour down here. The same pattern works every time. So since you asked for it, oh, great, Jonathan, I'm glad. Martin, you have to answer these questions. If you don't answer these questions, I won't, I'll continue, but I'll probably just put you in timeout from the channel. So Martin, look right here. You can see the price was high, and now the price went low. You see the blue line dip down here? I'll wait. Everyone's gonna, the more you guys answer, the more you learn the system, let me tell you. Does everyone see number one? Blue line went high, blue line went low. Now I have a lot of shit in front of it, but blue line was high over here, and then blue line went down to there. Right there. You see it going down? Yes. Okay. You got great energy. Good morning, DeFresh. Yes, wait till 10, says Danny. Danny wants me to stay. Danny wants to make some more money. All right, number one. Number two. Oopsie, I got to pull this back up again. Number two, let's wait and see. All right, number two. We'll come over to here. Okay. Number two. Did this arch up? So did this one do the opposite, the inverse? Did it go from low to high? Yes or no? So did it go from low to high? Yes, it went from low to high, or no, it didn't. Do you see that it went from low to high? Yes or no? Da, 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 da. Yes, says Martin. Yes, says Tom Williams. Awesome. Number three. 5 minutes to the 10, you're going to see a little reversal here, or continuation. I'll be done here in a minute. Number three, nothing, 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 right? So let's go over here. It's in a book. It's in a book. I can do everything. It's in a book. Hold on. We're not. I'm just going to switch this for one split second because we were back out of it. I can do everything. It's in a book. It's Shmena Shmook. It's in a book. I can do everything. Okay. Three. Did the pink line arch up against it? Yes, it did. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see three pink arch up. I just switched over to NAS so you can see it easier. Boop, boop. All right, next. Four, is there a sell stop? There's a huge ass sell stop the whole time, but more importantly, there is a Bach break. Red turned into green, red stayed red. So as long as we see the Bach break, we're in happy joy time right here. See, it's so close. You guys are going to have to be right on that one. Isn't that crazy? Let me scoot over here a little bit. Da, 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 da. And that's it. And that's all you do. We can go to, let me go to over here too. We'll show you something. I'm going to go up here. Let's go to US 30. Boop. And, oh, wait, I do want to see. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. Let me just do a quick read here on this. US 30. Well, let me start with gold. Gold, I'll come right back to the teaching. Give me 1 second here. Gold, 1 minute buy, 1 minute buy, 5 minutes sell, 5 minutes sell, gold. 15 minute sell, gold. 1 hour sell, yeah. You can do a 1 minute buy on gold, or you can do a 15-minute sell on gold, whichever version you want to do. US 30, 1 minute. Let me just see if I can grab somebody some more pips. You're either in the 1 minute sell or you're not. Yeah, it's not going to do the 15-minute buy. It's just not. No. So yeah, you're going to make your money again. It's just dropping down again. It just gave you another chance for entry. NAS, 1 minute sell stop. Same thing. You should have been bouncing off that five. I told you the 5 minute sell stop, by the way, is the ones I told you to play to bounce off. That's what you're going to see. See, look at this US 30. Holy fucking shit. Look how much money you made on this US 31 now. You're up 172 pips on that shitty looking sell. That's incredible. What time is it? 3 more minutes. Yeah. I think you're going to see a furthering of a coming down, actually, is what you're going to see now. If you're in the sells, I would take them, stay in them, lock in profit. If you want to do a buy, you're going to have to look at a 15-minute buy, and it's way up here. And you can do it. You can put a 15-minute buy stop in, just wait. I don't think it's going to engage, and I don't think you're going to see it. But it is what it is. I mean, if you want to do a NAS 30-minute buy stop, feel free. That's what it is. It's a 30-minute buy stop NAS. I just don't think it's going to engage right now. I may be wrong. You may get it up there, but, again, why are we playing? I don't want to do this. You guys shouldn't be trading now. You should be fucking done trading. That's my opinion. All right, let's go over here. We're going to go over to US 30, 1 hour, 4 hour. All right, let's show you the exact same things. 4 hour flat, 1 hour arched up. 3, the blue line, the pink line came up. 4, there's a sell stop. Look at it in the future for us. 1 flat, 2 arched up. 3, pink line came up. 4, green. That's as simple as you can get it. Now, what's happening now, it is a little different, but that's not what we're teaching. Red, 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 green, red, sell stop in the money. Now, someone asked, oh, what happened to the NAS 1 hour something, implying that it wasn't going to do it. I swear to God, people just drive me nuts. Yeah, I know what he meant. Trust me, I did. Well, there's his answer for him. There's your 4 hour, 1 hour. So what you guys fail to understand in life, and I don't understand this, is inside this 4 hour candle right here on NAS is literally 241 minute candles. NAS dropped down 276 pips today. NAS average falls about 200 to 250 up or down. It did 276. Inside this candle right here is all your 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. All of it is inside of here. So can it be any clearer? What you're seeing, you're still in it. Watch when this changes to the next 4 hour candle. Watch, you see it? Everything you just saw for the last 4 hours happened inside this candle. Are you kidding me? So when you guys are like, oh, this and that, we caught every pip humanly possible on NAS today. Well, I want to still trade. What? You just caught every pip humanly possible on US 30 and NAS today, and you still want to trade. Inside of US 30, right, is 320 pips. Are you fucking kidding me? You still want to trade, even though there was 241 minutes, how much ever fucking 5 isn't it, 240 in the other, 8, 9, whatever it is, 5 minutes, right? Or 10, 11, 12, 20, 20, whatever it is, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50, 40, 45. Are you kidding? What are you doing? This is everything. So when you see these 1 minutes that look huge and are doing this and doing that, yeah, it's an arch up and then come back down again. Why? Why are you looking at these trades when you've just made with the 1 hour, 4 hour trades? I don't understand what you people do in life. Here's your 1 hour candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have a new 1 hour candle under a new. Now I don't usually teach you guys this advanced shit with the times, but that's what it is. So when you're seeing 1 hour candles, they're inside of this 4 hour candle. Well, guess what else is inside of it? So are the 5 minute candles. Maybe I'm not speaking clearly, but you're being greedy. You really shouldn't be trading right now. Let me move these out of the way. It's so weird for me to sit here and still help you all make money after we just made 300 pips, 200 pips. It's so weird. I don't know how else to word it. Look, these are 5 minute. Here's your 5 minutes, okay? Here's your 5 minutes inside of a 4 hour. Look, it's all in there. You can't, 4 hour candles are huge. Look, all of this is inside your 4 hour candle. Look, all of this is inside your candle. This is your wick. This is the top of your wick. You want to learn something? This is the wick of this 4-hour. Look right here on this 4-hour candle. This is the wick. It went up and touched our yellow line, by the way. But you see that right there? That's what this looks like on your 5 minutes. This right here is that wick. Okay. Now candles are bullshit. They're not real. We can do the same thing with lines, but this is it. This is your candle. And then it comes over. And then this is the body that you saw. See right here? This is that body of your candle that you saw. This is now 5 minutes. I'm showing you what's inside of it. You see that? That's all this is on a 4-hour. See it? See it move up and down? You see this? Look at it. You see it? And then what's the rest of it? Well, then when it went down all the way to here, do you see that? That's your other wick. And then it came back up. And there it is. There's your fill in the gap. And now what's it doing? It started a whole new candle right here at 10 o'clock. That's why I always call the candle changes for 9:45, 10:15. Depends on when they start to move. And after they had NFP today with the little bullshit news, a little fun news, it's going to take a little longer, but you're already in the money again. It had arched up and came down. That little arch up was that little wick right there. I don't usually do this. I've done this before in the past, probably about 6 months ago, 8 months ago, but this is called inside candle trading. You can know when you're inside of a candle what it's going to happen and do. It's timing. You can see it. You can clearly see. You want me to go into 1 minute and show you what it looks like? It's easy peasy. This isn't, everyone makes trading complicated. It's not. See what it's doing right here on the 1 minute. Zing up, forming its sell stop again, up. We want to see how many fucking candles are inside of a 1 hour. You never can move enough. I'd have to go back to here. Here it's what looks like your wick. This is your wick forming on your 1 minutes. See this up movement right here that we play? That is the wick on a 4-hour. That wick reached up right here and touched my yellow line. And knowing that, I said, hey, let's put in a sell stop right here. You see my little sell stop line right there? And that's what it did. And then what happened? Well, it wicked up, touched the yellow line, and then the body happened. What was the body? The NFP bullshit news. Look at it. Look how many minutes you have. 1 minute to make this move. 1 minute sell stop. Stay in it until. There's your 1 minute sell stop. It fell down. That's the body of your look right here. That's what it is. There it is. It arches back over, and there's your wick on that one. Then we restarted a new 4-hour candle over here. And there it is going down, like I said. It wasn't done going down. You can see the pink pearled against it. We can go to TradingView, and I can show you what it looks like there. But here it is. You're inside of the next 4-hour candle right here. Now, what's this 4-hour candle going to do? Look, you had the wick already. It tipped up and did our little wick. And now this is the base of your candle. The body of your candle is forming. And don't forget, candles are bullshit. They're not. I can change this to a line, and I will here in a minute, actually. But that's what you're doing. That's what I'm doing. That's how I can call trades down to usually at least a half hour. Because if I know where we're at in the middle of a candle, I know that we're dipping and we know that we hit our lines, I can predict with near 100% accuracy when that's going to fall. Henceforth, how I can predict at 6 or 7 in the morning that at 10 o'clock it's going to fall, reverse, or continue in this case and continue to go down, like I told you. And that's what it is. Did it all make sense? Did that make sense to you, or did I get too complicated for you all? I see people arguing up here. All right. Good morning, Kimberly Harrington. Good morning. Yes, now is the blue line on the sniper the same blue line? No, it is not. Halfway through training, overcoming paralysis. You'll get it there, Mike. No, the blue line is nothing the blue line. Correct. Thank you very much, brother. Appreciate it. I was just wondering because system of the Bach, not sniper. You need the sniper, Jonathan. It would make your life so much easier. Great. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you. That's fantastic. Okay, you guys actually did catch that? Anybody on TikTok catch that? Anybody on YouTube? Sometimes I get deep in thought. My brothers tell me, why are you going so deep and why are you doing such analysis? Well, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I guess I don't have to show you some of the stuff, but to me, that's like easy. This is easy money. This 4-hour candle you see pushing around right here, they just gave you this money. I don't know. To me, it does. 1 minute sell. This is your thing. I can show you a 30-second sell. That's what it is, but that's all. So yes, you can read inside of candles. Yes, you can do it on TradingView. It's the exact same thing. Matter of fact, TradingView is prettier. TradingView is more colorful. to me, TradingView on 30 seconds are just amazing. We're getting off that damn 5 second. No, 30 second. Let's go here to 1 minute. 1 minute. But yeah, it's just easier. I think TradingView is very great. I think it's prettier. I think TradingView is a lot of pluses to TradingView. Let me tell you that. A lot of pluses. I always go here for my 30 seconds. Hell, we went here to 5 seconds the other day. Look, now you can see this one. This 1 minute. Let's go to 3 minute. There you go. So here you go. You're looking at a 30-second, 3-minute trade. Okay. And this is why we're in the money on this sell stop right now. This is NAS. Let me go over to US 30. It's probably going to be cleaner. It will, yeah, because NAS is in a sell, so it's going to just look better. Let me see if I can make this 1 minute again. Yep, here we go. All right, so let's take a look. Right here. Oopsie, sorry, let's move this back. There we go. Right here. Okay, now, this is what you have. This is why, in a lot of ways now, TradingView is superior to our way of trading, to MetaTrader 4, the way I'm used to. Let's take a look right here. So this is all you got to do. This is the same thing. This is 30-second on the top. 30-second candles. Can you believe we make sense of 30-second candles? On the bottom is 1 minute. 1 minute is flat. You see it? Let's take a look. I'll show you everything right here. Let me pull off my things though. 1 minute. Flat. Arched up. Arched up. And then is there a sell stop? There's a fill in the gap sell stop right here. So there you go. Oops, let me move this on this side so you can see it. All right. So as you can see, no one can see the future right here, but we can with our indicators with 100% accuracy. We come up here. This is the trade we just took. We just took this trade. You're in the money on this trade. So how did it work? 1, blue line is flat. 2, blue line arched up. 3, pink line arched up. 4, there's a sell stop, fill in the gap. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you go forward, you can see it drop down. These are 30-second candles. 30-second candles just made you money. And that's what it is. See, on MetaTrader 4, we can't go down to 30 seconds. But on TradingView, we can. And that confirms our 1 minute. So this is actually a 1 minute sell stop that we traded live. Called it out for you, made your money. Did it also do the same thing? It did on NAS. It's just a little different looking because of the way NAS wasn't in a full-on sell yet. And there's SPX. SPX was much better. You see the red, red, red. NAS, you can see here, there's these greens and mess ups. US 30, it's all red too. And there you go. So it works the exact same on TradingView. That's what you get for $575. You get this system. If you want the sniper, you have to pay an extra $150 a month. I strongly recommend you get the sniper. You don't have to, but I strongly recommend you do. When you learn it, you will enter in trades correctly. That's fantastic. Yes, it does. Bob, got to run. Thank you, Kevin. Have a great weekend, Bob, if I didn't miss you. All right. Anybody else on TikTok or YouTube have any questions? I'm going to go ahead and get going. TikTok, heading over to YouTube. Do you have any questions? Do you have any trades you want me to review? TikTok, do you have anyone on TikTok have any trades that from the safety trade system you want me to review? Yes or no? If it's a no, don't say anything. Just stay. All right. Everybody on TikTok, have a great, great, great weekend. God bless you all. Thank you, Danny Rivera, for being here. Thank you to Fresh for being here. Marcus Jones for being here. Bob Uten for being here. The Griffey for being here. User 539032. All right. I'm heading over to YouTube. You have an awesome one. Thank you, Zim. You too, brother. All right. God bless you all on TikTok. Heading over to YouTube. Everyone on TikTok, have a great weekend. Heading over to YouTube for a minute. All right. YouTubers. 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 Anybody have any questions? YouTubers. Anybody have any questions? YouTubers. Anybody have any concerns? This George email. Okay, let's take a look. Hey, Kevin, can we look at gold? Thank you. Absolutely. It's in a book. And then my loving wife has pointed out to me that I missed someone's question, so I'll take a look at it. Sure. Let's take a look at gold. Gold and them thar hills. Gold, 1 minute. Looks like a buy stop. Gold buy stop, buy stop. It was a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. You guys should have took that one. Hugely important. You should have took this trade to the blue line. Absolutely, I would have took that. But at any rate, 1 minute buy, 5 minute, 1 minute buy to the 5 minute blue line, 1 minute buy to the 5 minute blue line, forming a 15 minute. 15 is going to go up, 15 minute going up, 30 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour, 30 minute, 30 minute buy, 30, 30, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. It's an arch up to the yellow line. Let me draw it. Going to do this, jing, jing, jing. Going to do this, come up to here, hook, and come back down again. That's what's going to do. That's gold. Nothing more you need to know. I'm not going up to any higher time frames. Hopefully that helps you. All right, I had a question. Let me see the email. I forgot what it was. Thank you very much for teaching today. Invaluable. Thank you, Paul. I'm glad you liked it. All right, I'm still staying on. I'm not going anywhere yet. I'm going to answer a question from an email. Let me see. Precious, precious, precious. I have a birthday gift from Cheesecake Factory. The Cheesecake Factory. The Cheesecake Factory. This George email had a question for the live, for the love. For the love. Where's George? George. I had a question, advanced training sessions. Yeah, that's not how you do that, George. You actually come on the live and ask it, or you come on the advanced training session and ask it. But I'll answer this for you since, we're going to do it. When you were talking about the brothers 50-minute sell stop, you said it was because there was a 1 minute 5 and invalidated. Correct. To invalidate trade, does it have to be a full blown buy stop or a safe trade setup alone enough to invalidate it? No, alone. Very easy. To be honest, that lesson was awesome enough that 50 times it made sense. Okay. I also want to thank you for adding email alert. My understanding, there is no adding of an email alert to the blue scanner. Not yet anyways. No, absolutely not. You could almost trade the Bach break alone even without the sniper. Is that freaking good? Yeah, the Bach is amazing. Finally, you mentioned that you were looking to add gold to the scanner, but you had nothing to compare it to. You could use silver. No, that's not correct. I'm not going to do that. Which makes I also think UK and US oil, they run together, but they're exactly the same. They don't change. So I don't know about that one. By the way, just curious, why is the Russell 2000 part of the US 3 indices? Because it's not, the Russell 2000 is not in MetaTrader 4. That's why. Very good. I answered all your questions. There you go, George. Boop, out of there. See ya. Now, the way you guys are only supposed to ask questions is you ask the questions during the live. Like when I ask you, do you have a consideration with the trade? You ask it during the live. I will go over it during the live while you ask it during the live. You don't email me any trade questions, period. You ask it during the live. If you can't make it during the live and you can't make it during one of the training sessions, which you should be at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time, I understand. But I do lives in the mornings and I do lives in the evenings. And if you can't make it during one of those lives, I'm calling bullshit. Some of my lives I do are at 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night. Don't give me no shit that you can't make it on the live. So the only way I'm going to answer trade questions, and there's a reason behind this, is if you actually come on the live to ask the trade questions. If you ask the trade questions during the live, I'll answer them because everyone else can have a learning experience. So if you ask me a trade question, you will get blocked from Gmail. And I have an easy way of doing it, by the way. So good luck. I will answer it during the live, though, just as if you're on it. I can't make it. You're only on the live at 6 a.m. You're only on the live at 10 at night. Now, I'm calling bullshit if you can't make it on there. I'm on some mornings at 6 or 7 or 8, most. I'm on some evenings at 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 at night. Don't tell me you can't make one of those lives. If you're telling me that you work 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday through Sunday, I'm calling bullshit. And if you are that way, shoot me an email, show me your schedule, and we'll talk from there. But I don't believe you for 1 second. So quit being lazy asses and actually come on the live and ask your questions. Am I clear? Everyone on YouTube, am I clear? Yes or no? My wife says happy birthday. Thank you, but my birthday is not till October 20th. Thank you very much for teaching today. You're welcome. Am I clear not to send me trade questions to my email or you will get blocked? Yes or no? Am I clear not to send me trade questions to my email anymore ever again? Yes or no? That isn't a rhetorical question. I'm asking you to say yes or no. Thank you, Annie Lalande. Appreciate that, Annie. You're always so sweet. So no one else is clear on that? Okay. Well, then go ahead and risk sending me an email and you'll see what happens to you. I'm not going to waste my time teaching you one-on-one what you did wrong with your stupid ass trade when I can be teaching everyone what you did wrong with your stupid ass trade. Thank you, Kimberly Harrington. Thank you, Mark Davis. Thank you, Pimp Hunter. Thank you, Fly to the Sky Flowski. All right, guys, glad we're clear. Everybody, enjoy your weekend. Have fun with your weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Make some great memories. Fuck trading. Well, I would still do a little trading myself for an hour or two, but screw it. Get rid of it. Don't trade. Just enjoy the weekend. Take a break. Let your brain refresh. All right, guys, take care. God bless. Y'all have a great weekend. I probably won't see you later today, but knowing me, I might, but hopefully not. All right. God bless, guys. Have a great weekend. How much freaking fun was that? Called CPI, made CPI a bitch. Fuck CPI. Oh, my God. I'm so glad.